ये जग रहे या ना रहे, रहे कि तेरी आस्था, क्या क्या हो तुझे, गंगा है तेरी जटाओं में, जटाओं में, जटाओं में. Hey guys, hey Tushar Gaurav, welcome bro. How's it going? Today is Republic Day, so happy Republic Day, y'all. Don't call me Sir Tushar, please. Why Easy Snippets brand Easy Clothing failed? Yeah, we're gonna watch this one. 100% we are watching this one. Hey Abhishek Rai, welcome. Leaving my $250,000 job. 3 reasons why, despite it seeming crazy. Okay, we will look at that this one too. First, look at Jai. Mm-mm-mm. Parikh Jain. Harsh truth about tech hiring in 2025. Happy Republic Day to you, everybody, bro. This is like what, 77th Republic Day, is it? How many Republic Day? 76th. Okay, okay. I was 1 year off. No problem. What are you guys up to today? I suppose that you might have gone to like pay your respects to the Indian flag. Other than that, have you planned anything? There are some agendas I want to talk about today. First agenda is I want to give a re-attempt at this is one of the things I want to talk about today. And next thing I want to talk about is myths in tech. I don't want to say tech. Myths in coding um, or tech business, tech industry, let's say. Third thing, I will leave this up to you guys. What do you guys want me to talk about today? We ideally want to have 3 agendas, so I could make 3 videos out of this. But other than that, leave it. 2 agendas are enough. So I'll wait for 3 or 5 more minutes for everybody to join in. My cousin brother was saying that if you don't get a government college, then you can never do a job in MNC, really. No. Hey Tatsuya 2207, how you doing, bro? Algorithm soft. Who are these people that say things like this? For somebody who is in tech sector, algorithm soft, it's kind of amazing how impressionable you are, how strongly you stand against AI, and how easily somebody is able to affect your opinion about tech industry or whatever. It's kind of amazing that on one side you are so much anti AI, on the next side you are so impressionable that you would ask me to validate this kind of opinion. AI will replace software engineers when this happens. Nothing happens. Um, hey Mana, yesterday you missed out, but no problem. Here we are back again. And hey DG, hey Kidambi Sri Ram, Happy Republic Day to every one of you. So we are 5 minutes into the stream now, and yeah, let's watch some content.
Mr. Beast.
I wanna watch this one. Where are my earphones? Okay, 1 second. Let me get my earphones. I'll just be back. Hey, Dense Relief, welcome back. Huh. Can't find my earphone for some reason. That t-shirt looks sick. Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Yesterday I had my earphone. Where did I put it? Hmm. Crazy. उस पे देखना, उस रैक पे देखना. I'm going multicolors today. Okay. Anyway, I'm afraid that if I play it without earphones, then this voice will loop. That is something I don't want happening. Happy Republic Day to all of you. 76th Republic Day. Okay, anyway, let's see.
और लोगन पॉल तो अपना ब्रांड लॉन्च करने के लिए इंडिया तक आ गए। गौरव तनेजा ने भी अपना नया ऑयल और घी का बिजनेस लॉन्च करने के लिए
सुनना सुनना सुनना, वॉशरूम में पैंट पड़ा हो, उसमें होगा।
10 करोड़ का फार्म हाउस ले लिया। और अलग पांडे सर ने तो YouTube से ही 8,000 करोड़ की कंपनी खड़ी कर दी। पर इन सभी यूट्यूबर टर्न्ड एंटरप्रेन्योर में एक ऐसा यूट्यूबर है जिसको अपना बिजनेस लॉन्च करने के 6 महीने में ही बंद करना पड़ा। मैं बात कर रहा हूँ नीरज वालिया AKA इजी स्निपेट की क्लोथिंग बिजनेस की, जो उन्होंने इस साल 2 अप्रैल को अपने लाइव पर आकर लॉन्च करी थी। इजी स्निपेट के फिलहाल 6 मिलियन से भी ज्यादा सब्सक्राइबर्स यूट्यूब पर हैं, 3.5 मिलियन फॉलोवर्स इंस्टाग्राम पर है।
Okay, this means nothing. This means absolutely nothing. You know why? Because we are assuming that we are adding up all of these followers, which are distinct followers. This means nothing. A major portion of it are the same people who are following 3 accounts at once. This is, yeah. This is why content creators make so many alternate pages, alternate channels and all, because they want to give out this impression that look how many followers I have here versus how many followers I have there, so add that up. But it's not. There is some gray area which has some common fans between the 2 channels or 2 pages. 100% this means nothing. This is a complete scam that influencers do.
और एक बहुत ही लॉयल फैन बेस है। एंड ये सब होने के बावजूद भी और अपनी पूरी की पूरी लाइफ सेविंग एक बिजनेस पे लगाने के बावजूद भी वो 6 महीने भी अपने बिजनेस को सस्टेन नहीं कर पाए। उनकी इतनी भी सेल नहीं हो पाई कि अपने बिजनेस को 6 महीनों तक चला पाए एंड उनको अपना बिजनेस पूरी तरीके से बंद करना पड़ा।
मैंने बहुत हर चीज एक एक चीज देख देख के बनाई है, तो जो चीजें नोटिस कर भी नहीं पा रहे ना वो भी चीजें सोच सोच के बनाई है। फॉर एग्जांपल स्टिचिंग।
वहीं दूसरी तरफ फाइनेंस इन्फ्लुएंसर शरण हेगड़े अपने बिजनेस के थ्रू साल के 70 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा का रेवेन्यू कर रहे हैं। और उससे भी ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट ये है कि सोशल मीडिया फॉलोइंग और एक लॉयल फैन बेस के मामले में नीरज वालिया फाइनेंस विद शरण से कई गुना ज्यादा आगे है। तो फिर ऐसा कैसे हुआ कि फाइनेंस विद शरण तो अपने बिजनेस के थ्रू साल के करोड़ों रुपए कमा पा रहे हैं एंड इजी स्निपेट या फिर नीरज वालिया को अपना बिजनेस 6 महीने में ही बंद करना पड़ा?
I can fast forward this. I think the primary reason that this happened to Easy Snippet is because he has what we call a chapri audience. He has the kind of audience that just want cheap entertainment out of a Sigma Chad Bhaiya on the internet. Did I just describe myself? No, but he has that kind of audience. He just wants, they just want him to just say outrageous statements like there is no work life balance, and bro, don't get into relationships and things like that. But they are not the kind of audience that converts into a paying customer. So I think this is why he had to shut down his business. I think because it's the type of audience that you cater to. You're not catering towards an audience that wants to support an influencer and all. They just want cheap entertainment. Neeraj Walia has like a auto rickshaw driver kind of audience. The rickshaw wala drivers. The bevadas that we find on the road who are drunk on alcohol and just screaming at everybody. That kind of audience Neeraj Walia has. So yeah. भाई डीएसए कर रहा हूँ और आपका वीडियो देख रहा हूँ. थैंक यू सितब जो विश्वास. मितेश चहार, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. आई थिंक दिस इज योर फर्स्ट टाइम हियर. तुषार गौरव, ये भी सही है. And finance with Sharan have mature audience. Yeah, so it is the kind of audience that you cater to. That is the primary thing here. भैया आप कुछ business start करोगे? Yes, but in software development. Nothing on YouTube, nothing here. I will form a company outside of YouTube and yeah, sowed those seeds. कुशाग्र कुमार.
इस वीडियो में जानेंगे. हाय गाइस, माय नेम इज ऋतिक मेलावत और इस चैनल पर मैं टॉप यूट्यूबर्स की मार्केटिंग एंड बिजनेस स्ट्रैटेजीज को डिटेल में डिस्कस करता हूँ. ये ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आप अपने खुद के चैनल पर अप्लाई कर सकते हो.
Hey Bugzog, welcome back. Do you remember me? Why do you guys ask me to remember you? Of course I remember all of the usernames here. Most, I would say 99% of usernames I remember. Kushagra Kumar, I think this is your first time here. This is the username I don't remember. No one remembers you. Like, did I just lose my earphones? Only yesterday I was... Did I lose it? No. Man, I shouldn't have appreciated my earphones yesterday on stream. My wife is looking for it all over and she can't find it. Crap.
और एक अच्छी खासी ग्रोथ पा सकते हो. अगर आपको ऐसे कंटेंट पसंद आता है तो सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना. तो बिना किसी देरी के चलिए शुरू करते हैं. इस वीडियो में मैं डिकोड करने वाला हूँ नीरज वालिया के बिजनेस फेलियर को. मैं बताने वाला हूँ 3 ऐसी बिजनेस मिस्टेक्स जिसकी वजह से वो अपनी ऑडियंस को ढंग से मोनेटाइज नहीं कर पाए. एंड
See, I told you Kushagra, this is your first time here. Audio is good, don't worry. Oh, okay. Bugzok, we are making fun of somebody in Hindi, so we will get into English videos just after this one. Oh, here we go.
लाइफ सेविंग इस बिजनेस पर गवा दी. आजकल हर एक क्रिएटर कोई ना कोई बिजनेस कर रहा है, पर ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर एक क्रिएटर सक्सेसफुल है तो उसका बिजनेस भी सक्सेसफुल होगा. और आज की इस वीडियो में मैं यही बात करने वाला हूँ कि 5-6 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स होने के बाद भी क्रिएटर्स ऐसी कौन सी बिजनेस मिस्टेक्स करते हैं जिसकी वजह से उनका बिजनेस पूरी तरीके से एक फेलियर होता है, पूरी तरीके से बंद हो जाता है. कुछ टाइम पहले 1% क्लब के फाउंडर और फाइनेंस इन्फ्लुएंसर
Why am I looking at the roof? I can't find the earphone now. I'm freaking. Oh. Here it was. It's the classic kind of thing, like when we were like kids and we were like doing our homework and we had the scale in our left hand and we were looking for it and we were convinced that we have lost our scale, and then you look at that you were holding it the whole time. My earphone is right here and I'm asking my wife to search for it around the house. Insane. Bro, you fumbled. Yeah, I know I fumbled. I got caught lacking in 4K. That's what happened to me. I just watch your normal videos, not the live stream, bhaiya. No problem, bro. You are a viewer of the channel, so I'm thankful.
शरण हेगड़े ने अपने लिंक्डइन पर ये पोस्ट डाली थी जिसमें उन्होंने बताया कि उनको अपने स्टाफ में से 15% एम्प्लॉयज को फायर करना पड़ा एंड इसकी वजह से उनको काफी ज्यादा ट्रोल भी किया गया. शरण ने बताया कि उनकी कंपनी का एनुअल रेवेन्यू $8 मिलियन से भी ज्यादा है. उनका ऑफिस भी काफी फैंसी लोकेशन में है. 500 स्क्वायर फीट से ज्यादा का ऑफिस है उनके पास. और निखिल कामत ने भी, जो कि एक बिलियनर है, उन्होंने उनकी कंपनी में 10 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा की फंडिंग की है.
In 1 hour, the company was valued from nothing to 100 crores.
और उन्होंने ये अपना पूरा 100 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा का बिजनेस सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपनी सोशल मीडिया फॉलोइंग को यूज करके बनाया है। उनके फिलहाल यूट्यूब पर 3.4 मिलियन से भी ज्यादा सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं और उनके इंस्टाग्राम पर 2.7 मिलियन से भी ज्यादा फॉलोअर्स। इन टोटल उनके 6 मिलियन से भी ज्यादा।
Okay, 1 second. So if we are talking about Easy Snippet, why are we comparing him to Sharan Hegre? Like at the same time, there are so many successful businesses and so many failed businesses. Talk about Easy Snippet, bro. We are here to dunk on that guy.
ज्यादा सोशल मीडिया फॉलोअर्स है जिनको मोनेटाइज करके उन्होंने 100 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा का।
Yeah, Rishabh, I know that majority of my views are in Hindi. But the thing is, I think I'm too far in now. I can't go back. Since the beginning of this channel, I've been speaking I've been speaking in English, and at this point, I'm too far gone. Maybe I can try speaking in Hindi. Maybe this video is bad, bro. Watch something else. Yeah, I think so.
बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था जो कि पूरी तरीके से फ्लॉप था। इनफैक्ट अब तो नीरज वालिया अपने बिजनेस क्लोथिंग का जो उनका बिजनेस है उसको प्रमोट भी नहीं कर रहे। इनफैक्ट उनकी वेबसाइट पर कोई भी मर्चेंडाइज नहीं बेची जा रही। नीरज वालिया यूट्यूब से तो डेफिनेटली आज भी महीने के लाखों रुपए कमा रहे होंगे, बट ये जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर एक क्रिएटर यूट्यूब या फिर इंस्टाग्राम पर सक्सेसफुल है तो उसका बिजनेस भी उतना ही सक्सेसफुल होगा।
And I'll tell you why. So YouTube and Instagram, like these places, you get to portray the picture, but that's not how market works. The market will appreciate you for the good products and the good marketing strategies that you follow. But on camera, when you are an influencer, you can portray whatever picture you want. You can picture yourself, you can shoot yourself a video of yourself where you are walking on the road and you're handing out food to beggars, and that will earn you followers. And like that's a fake persona to begin with, but at least it converts into followers and likes and shares and all. But the market doesn't behave the same way. Look at 3 things that happened. WTF Fitness went to Shark Tank and got their ass fucking spanked. Then this one influencer, A2 Motivation, went to Shark Tank, got spanked. Then Flying Beast went to Shark Tank and got spanked. The primary thing with these things is that WTF Fitness, they tried to play with buzzwords. They said, oh, we have AI models, we have training, we have blah, blah, blah. These buzzwords, if you throw around on a YouTube video, then it will work. People are impressionable enough that they will think that, oh, this guy must know what he's talking about. But the reality is, they know nothing. They just know how to write a good script to make people believe that they know something. But when you get real, when you step out into the real world, that's when you get your ass handed to you. And that's what happened to Easy Snippet as well. He was thinking the same thing about his audience than the actual market. He was thinking that both groups are the same people, but it's not. Somebody can come to your channel for entertainment and they can stay there and they can follow you, subscribe to you and blah, blah, blah. But the moment you ask them to convert, that's when you find out what the truth is. Actual video starts from here. Oh. Somebody on YouTube can come to somebody's podcast and be like, yeah, I did PHP, I did my BCA, I worked in this company, now I have 40 LPA, and everybody would be like, yeah, what kind of influencer is that? He's such a great influencer, rags to riches kind of story. But the moment they start their business, they fall on their face. And that's the thing with YouTubers and their ego. YouTubers have the biggest ego, seriously. They can't handle criticism. They cannot handle logic and arguments when somebody points a finger to them. Their ego is so small ego that it gets destroyed. It gets shattered anytime somebody raises a finger at them. Look at what happened with a tech lead and the other influencers, Don the developer. A small comment really on them just spiraled into them throwing personal insults at me. Why? Because they can't answer what I had to say. That is an attribute of YouTubers I have noticed, even in the tech space, and this is why I call trend chasing the saddest reality of YouTube space. Software engineer, when you establish yourself on YouTube, software engineering is about like weighing out the pros and cons of approaches, doing the research, studying documentation, looking at results, coming up with a conclusion. But then trend chasing means that you just heard a buzzword and instantly you jump on YouTube to create a video about it, acting like you know something but you don't. Like no content creators don't take their time anymore. That's what I did. ChatGPT was released in November 2022, but my video on Devin dropped in 2023 March. Sorry, I'm mistaken here. ChatGPT release date was 2021, I think. ChatGPT release date 30 November 2022. And when did I drop a video on Devon? Oh, 2024. Sorry, March 2024. So I gave ChatGPT a full year to operate in the market to draw a conclusion from that. That's when I dropped it. And by that time, there were like 70, 80, like hundreds of videos on ChatGPT already on YouTube. That's not what software engineering stands for. It stands for like doing your research, studying documentation, and blah blah blah. And Glaucus, like this guy has pissed me off, man. Such a trend chaser. Like there is one thing with Penguin Zero, Moist Critical, Charlie. He actually provides funny commentary. Like he will also chase trends. I get it. Like Logan Paul, Mr. Beast, and blah blah blah. But he actually throws jokes in. You can actually watch it and watch it for Penguin Zero's commentary, not the news drama. But Glaucus's channel is about more the drama, less the personality. It's like he is just like a report card writer. Like he will look at trends and he will be like, okay, this happened, then this happened, then this happened, and that's it. There is no personality here. And then I already told you about 100K and now he's crying for 1 million. Yeah. Hey, only Panda AI. Yeah, I don't like him too, but it's just our opinion. We are not targeted audience. Could be. I was actually supporting Glaucus, given that he's from West Bengal. So I was like, okay, we have to support him. I think consumerism is on its peak. Why Bangalore people use this only term in every sentence? That's a personality, bro. In this current economy, I try to avoid people who use words AI, agents, AGI. And speaking of agents, look at this. Yesterday, what video Ishan dropped? How to get rich with AI agents in 2025 full guide. And here he is once again, even in this small preview, you can see he is bringing up Steve Jobs. Like that's the kind of scam these people run. They always take examples of Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates to make you feel like, oh my God. So that is what happened with Ishan Sharma as well. I was actually watching YouTube music. I think YouTube is fully in on showing me houses now. YouTube knows that I might be I might be rich enough to afford one of these, but nah, 9.9 crores, not happening. Man, don't play his video. I will left and never come back. Yeah, I know. You guys don't like Ishan Sharma or Nishan Chahar or who is it? There is one more person you guys don't like. Tech lead, is it? The tech lead, I mean, not this guy. We were about to watch a video like this guy also has like such aggressive
यार मैं
thumbnails.
आज ही एक विप्रो के बंदे से बात कर
What is it? Parikh Jain. I think he
DSA?
has like 9 videos on roadmaps. 25 lakhs a year. Don't learn DSA like this. Stop wasting time. Is Munstack dead? You look at how aggressive, brutally honest. Then in all of these videos you weren't honest. See, best DSA roadmap. We have one. Regrets. Okay. Avoid these traps. Game changer. Backend roadmap. We have 2. DSA. Okay, 30 days roadmap. We have 3. We have okay, DSA roadmap. We have 4. Fastest way to become a software developer, we have 5. Roadmap, we have 6. So this is the roadmap guy. He should rename his channel actually.
DSA
Best roadmap. See? In the very home page it is.
यार मैं
Shut up. Tech videos, please. YouTube. Houses are great. At least I feel like a king watching those videos. You feel like a king. I feel depressed when I watch them. I'm like, I'll never be able to afford any of these. And the thing is, you start with a house like, oh, 2 lakh rupees house. Wow, 2 lakh rupees house, as if that's gonna happen. So you start off with like a 60 lakh house in Mumbai, and not in Mumbai, but in Kolkata or somewhere like that. And then YouTube tries to ramp you up. You watch a video for 60 lakhs, then the next house is 2 crores, then it is 4 crores, then it's 25 crores, then it is 75 crores, and then it just keeps going up. And the more you watch them, the more you feel like, oh, it feels so nice. But the reality kicks you in the face. You'll never be able to afford these. And then it's like, yeah, I guess I'm piss poor. Depression comes later when I realize I can't afford them. Yeah, exactly. Andrew Tate talk. What's your take on GUI development using Qt in C++? Is there any future in it? Wow, I would ask you to do your research on this. I am not knowledgeable in this one. Sorry, bro. What are your thoughts about Unstop? Yeah, I heard about Unstop. Isn't that a Shark Tank? Unstop, Shark Tank. Oh yeah, they did appear on Shark Tank. Okay. Unlock your career. Explore opportunities. I suggest on Unstop Pro for business. Who is signing up for road safety hackathon? Like, who is? Nope. Internships, jobs. So what kind of job they are providing? Okay, let's see. Backend developer. Backend developer. In mentor opportunities, let's say opportunities. So backend developer, Node.js and JavaScript, what are they offering? Impressions 1,076,000. Okay, not 1 million, sorry. 176k impressions. Registered 731. Coding round, Unstop. Where's the salary, bro? Where is the salary? Oh, there we go. Required experience 2 to 5 years. Proficient understanding of code versioning tools. Good understanding of database. SQL, no SQL. Mobile versus desktop. Optimizing output. Devolution. Oh, shut up. I can't even close this now. What kind of website is this? Don't like the website. Might have potential. I don't know. Saw this sponsored by Theo. Let's see. G2I Inc. jobs. Such a basic website. All right. Department software engineering for AI. Location. Oh man. So Ahmedabad, Aurangabad. Nice. They are very diverse. Bangalore. Employment type, all employment types. Training AI data, software engineering for training AI data. Does this not look like a scam, bro? If you put a filter to it, does it not look like they just threw in a bunch of city names? So US is $50 an hour, Brazil is 25, Egypt is 14, Philippines is 24. Expectations are 15 plus hours per week. There is no upper limit. They expect to have work for the next 2 years. You can end the contract at any time. Huh, could be. We have Sidya Dia, but yeah, most of them are grifters. Um, I can't see any good Programming India YouTube channel like Prime or Theo, who discussed new technology without saying this will change industry or it will take your job. Thing is, uh, I will again say, majority of YouTube audience is impressionable. College students or school students are very impressionable. They haven't seen what the outside world looks like. They only see what the influencers chooses to show to them, and they think that it's all sunshines and rainbows in the real world. But it isn't. But it isn't. Same thing with AI and chat GPT and blah blah blah. When I heard them, I was like, when I heard about those keywords, I was like, okay, I will give it time. Let's see how this pans out. Then I will talk about it. But no, other YouTubers, they jumped on it instantly. And they were like, yeah, I know what I'm talking about. That's not how this works. That's not how this works. They are sponsoring Theo, so was just checking him out. Oh, okay. And it might be a sad news for some of you, Nameless Monster or Dane's Relief, but I am cutting down on my Maggie intake. So it's only this much. Can you see it? Yeah. It is only this much. But I am cutting down my intake for health purposes. I have been realizing that I have been eating a bunch of junk food a little too much. Like you guys see me eating Maggie right here, but it's actually every single evening me and my wife, we were eating samosas, bread pakoda, or burgers and things like that. And that too, not good quality samosas. They were like, that roadside shops, that kind of things we were eating. So yesterday we had to have a serious talk about what we are doing to our health. So then we decided that only on Saturdays will be the dedicated evening snacks kind of day, and then rest of the week we are not eating anything in the evenings. So, which Indian website gave you best experience? Do you really want to ask this, Abhijit? You know where my mind went to, right? Do you really want to ask? Do you really want to know the answer to this question? Do you have specific diet like going through calories, protein and such? No, I don't right now, but yeah, I should. I'm thinking about joining the gym once again. My last membership got expired. Since then, I haven't renewed it. But this time, I'm thinking to change my gym. So I will do that. Hitesh is okay. Hitesh is not okay. I hate him. Hitesh at least provides some knowledge. I also want to eat Maggie just before that I'm thinking of. Don't eat junk food, bro. Search for Nvidia shattered Moore's law. Okay, searching. Um, let's watch this one, Tech Week.
Moore's Law sounds like a comforting, or perhaps disturbing, promise that computer processing power will double about every 2 years. But despite the fact we call it a law, there have been plenty of folks in the tech center opining that Moore's Law is in fact dead, and we're hitting some kind of wall when it comes to just how powerful we can make our technology. But how much truth is there to the rumor, and who the heck is Moore anyway? Well, it turns out Gordon Moore wasn't just some guy that made an observation about CPUs. He was one of the founders of Intel. His story begins back in 1957, a few years after he finished.
Search it on browser, bro. If you find a good environment in a private company and all your expectations are fulfilled, will you join? And if you join that, will you continue your freelancing? Oh, that's a subjective question, Zafinder. What do you mean by my expectations are fulfilled? Give me numbers, throw stats at me, then let's see what do I think. Interestingly, IRCTC website is decent, but the app is horrible. Yeah, it is. It is.
Finished his PhD at Caltech. At the time, he was working for Nobel Prize winner William Shockley on semiconductor development. But Shockley wasn't exactly the best boss, with his management style characterized by paranoia, aggressiveness, and intrusiveness. The trinity of bad boss qualities. So maybe it's not surprising that he was later disgraced for espousing views that could only be described as alarmingly racist. Moore and 7 of his colleagues left Shockley's company and started a new firm called Fairchild, throwing their hat into the AI ring. This team uses grammar and innovative ideas to unlock Moore's law prophesies exponential growth
3 minutes 16 seconds. That's when the video begins. Okay.
in transistor density. Moore himself later predicted that the rate of increase would eventually slow down. In 2005, Moore pointed out that we'd eventually hit some pretty hard physical limits, such as the size of an atom. And indeed, while we've seen experimental transistors that work by changing the position of only a single atom, there's still a debate raging as to whether this is the right way to look at Moore's law. One consideration is that there isn't a standardized way to determine how big transistors are. There already isn't much consistency between Intel and AMD, and with newer transistor types that involve three-dimensional designs and alternative materials, focusing on transistors per unit area might actually be missing the point. Instead, current discussions on Moore's law tend to be more about whether we're going to continue to see a certain amount of processing power gradually become cheaper. Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, famously said last year that he believes Moore's law to be truly dead, as silicon wafer costs had risen to the point where consumers could no longer count on getting significantly more performance at a lower price if they waited a year or two. Jensen was simply making an observation. There's nothing he can do about it. But of course, that doesn't mean the price of a wafer is the only variable to.
What the hell are we watching? What is Moore's law? Okay, what is... This video provides no content or anything that is understandable. Moore's law is the observation that the number of transistors on a microchip doubles every 2 years with a minimal increase in cost. Huh. Can it really double to the point where it will shatter physics, the laws of physics and everything? No, I don't think it would. And is it really progress that NVIDIA is making? I mean, the company is essentially telling you that the games that you play, it's AI generated frames. And 2 out of 3 frames are AI generated. Like what? That DLSS thing and everything. So is it really breaking it? Or is it making us think that it is breaking it?
AI this.
There is no need to replicate somebody's voice with AI as long as you are in the same universe as us, I guess. NVIDIA ChatGPT 8, haha. NVIDIA 8 A100 to H200 to Blackwell is massive jump. Okay, that is something I have no idea about. Mainly, Mealy Moore is in my exam on 1 Feb. Your take on Hitesh? I don't like the guy. He's a course seller, and that is something that doesn't make me respect him. He might be an OG in like programming fundamentals and DSA or whatever, but I can't respect him. Content creator to content creator, there is no respect for me for Hitesh. And the same thing for Harkirat, the same thing for literally anybody that sells a course for beginners to, you know, get up and running with programming and promising them a job or whatever. Anyone. Nishant Jindal. Yeah, I know Nishant Jindal. 20 LPA, Zafinder, I'm not doing it. I'm still continuing my freelancing. 20 LPA is too low. I will say the same thing the pitchers say on Shark Tank. The valuation of somebody is dependent on the future potential of somebody. Like a business, the future potential of that business is a factor. And I will say the same thing. I have great future potential. So for an amount like 20 LPA, I'm not quitting my freelancing. I am hopeful that it will increase more than 20 LPA 2 or 3 years down the road. So no, for 20 LPA, I'm not doing it. Nishant Jindal, I know who he is, but he's a funny character. So, yeah. What happened because of which you don't like tech lead? I thought you were both on the same page. No, not anymore. And I thought I discussed this, but you might have missed it, CS student. Why is it extremely hard for freshers to get a job? And YouTubers portray interviews to be extremely hard, but many people I know with 3 years of experience give interviews with easy questions. I know, because it's easy to. YouTube is a marketplace, bro. That is the thing here. Nobody is genuine anymore. They see their audience as a business transaction. They are just throwing buzzwords at you, they are throwing everything they can at you to hopefully convert you into a paying customer. That's what it is. The more they scare you, the more they try to hype you up and tell you something that it really isn't, the better profit it generates for them. That's what it is. Whoa, you don't know fresher situation from 2023 to now. But okay, true, fair, Vishal, that he doesn't know. But at the same time, no one does. This is your opinion, Vishal, and that is his opinion for whoa. By the way, welcome to the channel. Whoa. I understand, bhai. It's just confusing. The whole situation is confusing. I guess you agree. Bro, I am in Unstopped by Techothon. Oh, okay, nice. But why selling course is bad if it provide value and marketing is not by it like making fear? You cannot sell a course without fear, bro. Simply. At this point of time, if somebody tells you the passion of software engineering and tries to sell you a course just based off of that, they won't be able to sell you a course. Second thing I don't like course sellers is because they are forming a business out of it. Something that is passionate, something that is passion to me, it hurts seeing it getting converted into a business for somebody else. And in my opinion, selling a course is taking the easy way out. And I can't respect somebody who took the easy way out of easy way out of doing the hard work and making money. Selling a course is very easy, bro. Give me 6 months, I can pretty much replicate all the courses that is available on YouTube and I can sell it. But it's easy. It's not respectable. It sure gets you a lot of money and fame and that supposed star tag, but it's not something I intend to chase. If I already was selling courses on my channel already. But I don't want to take the easy way out. I actually want to continue doing YouTube and continue doing freelancing and working for other clients. After that, I want to start my own company and have my own employees. Maybe a major chunk will be you guys. And then grow that company to a point where I can live a nice life, me and my employees included. And after that, I want to start my own product and I want to sell it in the market, like solve a real problem. And I'll go on Shark Tank, I don't care. At least going to Shark Tank will be respectable to me. Even if I get brutalized by the investors, it's alright. At least I will think to myself that yeah, I took the hard route. I didn't pussy out and just started selling on YouTube to an impressionable audience of college students and all. I don't want to do it. Therefore, all the course sellers, yeah, they don't deserve respect from me. You can choose to respect them, it's alright, but you ain't getting it from me, bro. For 8 years experience, 20 LPA is too low. See, Vishal gets it. Bro, what is role? Bro, what is the role analyst trainee should apply for it as a person thinking to go in dev field? If you are a role analyst trainee, I say go for it, bro. Just take whatever job you can get. It's easy to pivot than making it as a fresher in any job role. Shivang Sharma, currently, welcome back. Currently, I am in second year learning Spring Boot. What else should I do? Nothing. Just keep learning Spring Boot. I mean, can I get jobs and internship in Spring Boot development? Yes, you can. So just continue your Spring Boot development. Don't need to pivot to anything else. Thanks for the stream. Yeah, no problem. When you discuss it, please tell me. I will watch that. Okay, sure. What's your view on Google AI Studio? I think real-time stream is great. I don't know what that is, bro. Google AI Studio. This AI will change how you seek the world. Google AI Studio. The end of tutorials. Huh. Okay, we'll see, we'll see. भैया कुकर फट रहा है. No, my wife is looking over it. It's all right. 0.4 equity of a unicorn. Maybe. Monthly price is rupees 757. Oh, KC moratory. Okay. The thing is, GPUs still have a lot of time when Moore's law becomes invalid, but the processors are nearing the limit, like after nanometer process going thinner will not be possible without some revolutionary tech. Exactly. Laws of physics, bro. Laws of physics will come into picture pretty soon. Hey Twitch chat, what do you think about RTX A6000 ADA? No idea what that is. Much respect for you, Sid. Thank you, bro. So according to you, does teaching is not respectable, is it? Cheaping out on teaching. Do not put YouTubers and teachers in the same sentence. This is something that pisses me off. Somebody that is passionate towards teaching, they actually go to school that and do courses, not courses, degrees that allows them to be called themselves a teacher. You know that B.Ed degree? You know that government exam for teachers, TET? They give out those exams. I can look at them and I can respect that becoming a teacher was your life goal. Don't go into Microsoft or Google, work there a couple years, then quit it and then establish yourself as a teacher on YouTube. That is a disdain on teachers' images. I have had so many teachers in my student life and I respect them. Why? Because they were teachers their whole career. Their entire passion was teaching. But now they are masquerading the word teacher, wrapping it with the word YouTuber. That is not respectable to me. I have made tutorials on Shopify on my YouTube channel. Do I call myself a teacher? No. It is a cheap way to establish yourself as a teacher. Those people who are actually getting certifications, who are actually getting licensed to become teachers, they can look at YouTubers and they will be like, no, these are posers. The same thing I think. You get knowledge from somebody, that doesn't grant them the rank of teacher. It is a very reputable profession. And I have respect for teachers, the teachers that taught me when I was a student. I didn't go to a YouTuber who just established themselves a teacher. No, you don't get to establish yourself. You have to get certifications, you have to get licenses. That's when you get that reputable position. This is why I tell people not to call me sir. I know what the weight of the word sir is, and I don't like that word getting thrown casually at me. Do fast the only way for me to land a job. I was just asking that will you work in a company or will you continue freelancing? If maybe working in a private company may affect your freelancing in future. Now, at this point, I want to continue freelancing. It allows me to be a YouTuber and connect with you guys. So it's fun for me and it's paying my bills. So I'm happy with my freelancing for now. When you create a company, make me co-founder, please. You have to bring more to the table, 7 Cents Gamer. Then yeah, 100% I will. Math, a media. Please don't spam the chat, bro. x86 already broke Moore's law. Oh, okay. I have used Google AI Studio to get their API key. That's it for free. Nice. Thanks. What projects would you suggest me, or should I Google? Just Google it, bro. It's all right. Tell now where you talked about tech lead, like which video or live, so I can watch and get to know what happened. Love you, bro. Same thought. To give this world some useful product like Kafka Postman. Okay. Thank you, bro. Hey, Spare Human. Welcome back. Same, bro. I'm in animation and some random come from nowhere and selling 2 out of 10 value course. Exactly. Lunch में चने बन रहे हैं क्या? Yes. Yes. You know your way around the kitchen, Abhijit. That's nice. Everybody should know how to cook. That is an important skill. Yeah. Like he doesn't even have a good portfolio himself and never worked anywhere. Yeah, exactly. I think that one is fine here. I've seen Prime mention it. Just want his opinion. Ah. Um, so, math a media, please don't spam the chat, bro. দাদা আমি ইলেকট্রিক্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং করছি করা বেটার হবে অ্যাজ পার কারেন্ট সিচুয়েশন গেট গভর্নমেন্ট জব থ্রু ইলেকট্রিক্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং অর ওয়েব ডেভেলপমেন্ট তুমি ইলেকট্রিক্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং কন্টিনিউ করো গেট গভর্নমেন্ট জব ভুলে যাও তুমি পেয়ে যাবে জব bro stop spamming teacher need not to be smart they only need skill of teaching noblest profession of all teaching exactly my professor left his 36 LPA job offer to become teacher and man he was so good and passionate about it whenever he took class I would sit silent and listen even though the loud idiot students used to listen yeah I asked a question about freelancing said hopefully you can scroll back a little please as this YouTube won't let me type a lot haha thank you whoa you didn't much respect for you said I did answer your question whoa didn't I sir bura mat maniye I'm just sharing my thought as you share no I'm not angry at you CS student and nor am I angry at anybody in the chat right now I am angry at the posers on YouTube who established themselves as teachers I'm angry at them not at you suddenly when China mode DeepSeek all of America's AI bubble is shaken yeah lunch mein mere chane kha bhi liya nice totally understand what is this
Imagine this. You're in the kitchen wondering, what can I make with these ingredients? Or staring at your shirt label thinking, what's the best setting for my washing machine? Maybe you're traveling and asking, what's the story behind this place? What if I told you there's an AI that can understand and explain what it sees through your phone's camera, and it's free to use?
Isn't that called Google Lens? That's the same thing with Google Lens, right? You take a photo and then Afzal Hussain, this is not a political argument. See, I can still respect the guy even though he is not good at teaching and I have had my share of bad teachers. At least I can respect them, right? I'm saying fake teachers is somebody I don't respect. I'm not saying good or bad teachers. There's a difference between good teachers, bad teachers and fake teachers. I disrespect fake teachers. YouTubers who sell courses, who establish themselves as teachers, they are fake people. I don't respect them. Now, if a teacher is skilled or unskilled, that's another question. Man, if he got angry, he will ban you. Nah, it's alright. Did you watch OpenAI's operator agent video? I want to see. OpenAI operator agent. What the fuck is this, man?
So OpenAI have just gone ahead and released their first AI agent, and this is truly a game-changing product as it sets the benchmark for what will be a glorious future of many AI agents doing various tasks for us in the background while we get on with real productive work. I think this is going to completely change the game. There are many things that most people did miss, so let's dive into the first demo, and then I'm going to explain to you guys more about this AI agent.
Okay, so this is the operator homepage. It's at lives.operator.chatgpt.com. It'll be accessible as soon as the live stream is over. And as you can see, the interface is very similar to ChatGPT. You can type in a prompt, and the operator will try to execute the task to the best of its capability. You'll also see we have a list of pre-filled prompts here. These are not really meant to be recommendations. These are meant to be things that, to give you an idea of what operator can do. We've also collaborated with various brands like OpenTable, AllRecipes, StubHub, Uber, Thumbtack, DoorDash, eBay, Target, to make sure operator really works well on these websites, but also we think users will find operator very valuable in interacting with these platforms. So with that, let's jump in with a demo. Okay, so I'm going to start with something fairly simple. I'm going to use OpenTable and say, book me the table for 2 at Beretta tonight at 7 p.m. Okay.
And so you specifically chose OpenTable.
Yeah, in this case, I'm asking operator to use OpenTable to book a table for 2 at Beretta. Beretta is a restaurant in San Francisco. It's great. You should try it out. And at 7 p.m. And I'm using OpenTable in this case, but I could have easily said, just do Beretta, and it would have probably gone to search engine, figured out how to make a reservation as well. But let's see what it does.
So can you explain what's happening in this?
Yeah, right. So I'm going to expand this a little bit. So as soon as I type in the query, operator instantiated a completely remote browser. This browser is running in the cloud somewhere, and as you can see, it's already up and running. And my hands are off the keyboard. I'm not typing these things.
So this is just the AI is clicking around.
AI is just clicking around. It started this browser.
Oh, I see a problem. I see a problem. AI is clicking around it. So if the website maintainer decides to change the design, move the button from here to here, will the AI be able to do it? Because I assume that this AI is already trained on OpenTable's website. So the AI kind of knows where the buttons are. You make a change, you use a different component for the date selector, maybe something else on the website. How does the AI stack up against that? Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Bro, what do you think about BGMI? You played that day, right? And I found out the issue why it was lagging here because Oxygenos 15 was consuming too much RAM. Yeah, my phone does get heated when I play BGMI 2, and it's a gaming phone. Nah, bro, Gate EE is a good way. You can end up in power grid, free electricity for life. HTML CSS done. What next? Pick any backend framework, bro. How to research on any technology and its future, like I asked for QT. Study the documentation, bro. Get government job, ভুলে যেতে বলে কেন? তুমি বললো তোমাকে ওয়েব ডেভেলপমেন্ট ভালো লাগে, তাহলে আমি বলেছি why don't you watch the entire video? Okay, let me watch.
Session, it knew where OpenTable website is, which is opentable.com. As you can see, it's summarized chain of thought here as well, which is so under the URL, search for Beretta, and something cool really happened, which is for some reason, OpenTable thought we were in Virginia, and it auto-corrected itself to San Francisco. This is using, so like ChatGPT, in Operator, you can also give custom instructions. I'm going to show this really quickly here. Okay, so I've given a custom instruction that for queries that need it, I live in San Francisco. So Operator recognized that and then auto-corrected itself to go to Beretta. Okay, looks like 7 p.m. isn't available, but you know what? 7:45 is just fine. So we're going to go do that. So in this case, Operator came back, and this is a really good example of task delegation where Operator needs help or needs assistance or just wants to ask you something. It'll just come back and you can answer that.
So in practice, you wouldn't have had to watch this. You could have just let it go off while you're doing other things, and then it would come back and say, hey, I can't do 7:45. Yeah.
And we're starting with a web app. You'll get notifications, etc. When Operator moves into mobile, you'll get mobile notifications, much like interactions we do with general apps. Okay, yes, that's great. Let's do it. Okay, so again, very simple interaction as you would have with an assistant, which is, hey, I found reservation, 7 p.m. wasn't available, let's do 7:45. And again, you can see Operator at this point has said, okay, should I? Again, this is a really good example of the confirmations work we're going to talk about a little bit later. But before doing an action, which is sort of irreversible in this case, we can cancel the reservation, obviously. But again, taking a critical action, Operator is asking us before actually doing it. And in this case, I'm going to say, let's do it. Okay, it was pretty quick. I would say 50 seconds.
So right there, we got to see the first case of the OpenAI operator agent. Now, what's crazy about the operator agent is that this is something that is completely autonomous, meaning that, you can literally give it a task and you don't actually need to be in the web browser monitoring the agent. And I think that that is an important feature because most agents that we're going to have in the future and most ones that are actually useful are ones that we can say, you know what, go off and do this whilst we do something else. And that is, of course, where the leverage is. And with this agent, one thing in particular that I did find was that at certain checkpoints, it did actually ask you for more permission, which is, of course, really good. But I do know that in future, it's quite likely that these models will be able to reason by themselves and figure out how much autonomy you want to give them. Now, let's take a look at what happens when you actually want to stop operator in the midst of doing something and actually intervene with the task. Why this is important and how you should actually do that.
I can do at this point, and I'm going to just click this button called Take Control. So this remote, as we were talking about, like Operator fires up this remote browser to do it. We almost think of it as a surface area where Operator can work and then I can work. For example, in this case, I took over control from Operator, which is also key to sort of how we think about user and user controls. Like at any point in time, a user should be able to.
Already a problem. I see a problem already. They say that you can intervene the task. Why? Then, okay. Intervening certain operations is basically what we do now. AWS is there for hosting. We have our applications that have code written in them. Then we have like databases that contain data. We have to make sure everything is stringed along perfectly fine and it works. The expectation of an AI agent is to just leave it be. It will work by itself. Now you're telling me that I can intervene. So basically, I have to sit in front of an AI, making sure that the AI is working fine. So I'm basically like a manager now. And I must have the tech skills so I can take over when AI is about to mess up. And who says that there is only one time that you have to intervene? You have to maybe keep intervening again and again and again. And that's basically doing the same thing that you do now without AI. Kind of disappointing. They already broke their own expectations. They were saying that we made an agent that can work by itself. Now you're giving me the option to intervene. Sam Altman and Elon Musk का लफड़ा हो गया Twitter में. Yeah, I mean they are constantly fighting. Yeah. Will you shift to AI since AI is in demand and recently Trump announced $500 billion investment? Nah, I won't. If we see AI doing tasks and we can take control, just do it by yourself. Yeah, exactly. This is what I mean. Sir, आपने बताया नहीं what happened with tech lead. Because you called me sir, CS student, I'm not discussing what happened. US investing 500 billion on Stargate AI. Meanwhile, we have to TCS Infosys giving 3.4 LPA. Nice, nice. I said if one gets into freelancing, let's say in 2025, can we become stable in like 2 years? With right actions, hopefully you can guide us on how to get opportunities as in how to be efficient. Thank you. 2 years is too much, it's too low of a time to be establishing yourself, isn't it? Hey, the one who knocks. Let HC Verma set a conceptual question for AI to answer. Let's see how good is AI. People these days are too lazy. Hey Raju Kitori, welcome back.
To take control and give operator instructions or tell a little bit more, guide a little bit more, etc.
And passing the laptop back and forth, just like you did with Ray.
Totally, exactly right. Just like, in this case, I'm gonna make those two, and then I'm just gonna tell operator. This is again like very much like if you and I were working, I'd be like, hey, I did this. Can you fix this? And I'm gonna tell operator, I added another egg. Good to place order now.
Can operators see what you're doing during takeover mode?
Great point. So when you take over, it's very much just like a session with your local browser. It's completely private. Operator cannot see. And this is one of the reasons why I have to tell operator. You don't really have to. It can look at the last screenshot and try to guess it. But it's really good. It's sort of like if you and I were working together, I went off and did something, and I come back like, Ray, I completely messed it up. Can you fix this? I'm gonna have to tell you that. So in this case, I'm gonna tell operator, hey, go ahead. And now I'm passing back the control to operator. It's a completely private session when you take over control.
So if a website requires login, am I fair to say that my session, my auth session token that is in the cookie of this browser, is that in danger? Because it is the browser is built inside operator. So the wrapper is already there around the browser to trigger actions and everything. So there must be something that triggers access of cookies. Ooh. Agreed state, thank you. On side note, this AI is like Bollywood actors, totally not consistent. Isn't Sarvam AI in the works by the GOI? I don't know what that is. Arindam Shankardas, this is your first time here. Welcome to the channel. 3-4 लोगों का ये ग्रुप बना लेंगे और उसमें बस ये private. Nice joke.
This is also you'll notice that I'm logged into Instacart here. I did it before the demo, or it has been logged in for a while now. And it's again very much like your local browser. When you log into Instacart, until the cookies are cleared, you stay logged in, and we have really good controls. You can go in settings and control and remove at any point in time.
Now, what we actually need to take a look at is how the operator agent truly works. Now, most people don't realize that this is an agent that is actually just like a human. So it looks at the screen, it analyzes the pixels, and then it reasons about where it should click next and what the next action it should take based on the end goal and the prior steps taken. So the reason that I think this is really important is that this means that this kind of tool in the future is going to be able to generalize across a wide range of different tasks, meaning that, these simple tasks that we're now doing in the browser are going to become.
Thoughts on technical Suneja? He's a good guy. He's a wholesome guy. He's a wholesome guy. Okay, even if I don't think about the fact that he has called me for a podcast, I still don't have any sort of criticism for him. He does seem wholesome in the sense that he has 500,000 subscribers. He can just make money all he wants on YouTube for himself, but he actually pivoted into podcast. So a big YouTuber consistently doing podcast is a good way of variety of content on your channel. Like he can call whoever he wants. He can call me, or he can call like a Baba, he can call a business guy, he can call a finance guy, a technology guy, and there will be a good variety of content on his channel, which is a good move, So yeah, that's what I think. A bit under the weather mentally. No problem, Utachi. If you want help, you can always reach out to me on Discord. I'll help you out. But his thumbnails and some videos state otherwise. He states learn this to get 10 LPA. Oh, okay. So that is worthy of criticism. You shouldn't show dreams of money. We have a video of Technical Synergy right here. Future scope of software testing in 2025. Will AI replace software testers? So now the focus has shifted from software developers to software testers. Wow. Hey Henil Malvia, welcome back. How big is your thunne? What is thunne? I assume you mean, I know what you mean, but not gonna answer that. If you want to know, you can just watch my If YouTube Devs Were Honest video, you'll know. Sorry, couldn't, oh. भाई आप कौन से niche पे काम करते हो? Shopify bro, I am a Shopify developer. Technical thunne. I don't know, maybe it's a word in your regional language, Rajesh. But anyway, we have a Discord. I'm joining, bro. Yeah, we do. Right here. It's a Kannada word for dick. Yeah, I know.
Become a lot more complex as time goes on and as the reliability of the model does increase.
Let me talk a little about the research behind it. So Operator is based on a new model we've trained at OpenAI, which we're calling the Computer Using Agent, or CUA for short. So CUA is a model built off of GPT-4o, but it's also trained to use and control the computer in the same way that humans can, by just looking at the screen and using mouse and keyboard to control it. Before, if you wanted to build something like Operator without CUA, you'd need to use some specialized APIs. For example, if you wanted your model to buy stuff from Instacart, you'd need to figure out if Instacart had an API. You'd need to figure out if that API had all the functions that it needed, and you need to give your model the specs of that API. But if your site, like most other websites, did not have an API, then you're out of luck.
This is just using screenshots, no API, nothing, just
no API. Yes, and that's where CUA comes in. By teaching a model how to use the same basic interface that we use on a daily basis, it just unlocks a whole new range of software that it can use that was previously inaccessible. And so this is keyboard and mouse, right? It's kind of using keyboard and mouse. Just exactly. Yes. And that's really what the CUA research project is about. It's about removing one more bottleneck in our path towards AGI.
So you can see right there, they actually just spoke about how that is, of course, one of the bottlenecks towards AGI, and they're trying to remove that. Now, this is a system that is actually quite good at browsing the internet, but it isn't as good as humans just yet. And you might be wondering, okay, well, if that is the case, where do I stand in terms of maybe my job security, how good it can use a computer compared to, the average actual human? So they actually did a benchmark where they pitted operator agent against humans. We can actually see the result of these tests, and we can see exactly where humans are in comparison to these models. And I think it's going to be super interesting to see how these benchmarks change over time and how these models manage to rapidly get better.
That said, we can look at a few benchmarks and kind of quantify how good Operator is right now. So one of the first benchmarks that we're going to look
Computer use, OS World, browser use, Web Arena, OpenAI QA 38%, 58% previous SOTA, human 72%, 78%. What does that mean? Okay, anyway, let's let the guy cook. Brain rot increasing day by day. I've completely stopped watching reels and shorts. Could be good one.
Look at is called OS World. OS World is an eval that measures how well AI agents navigate common operating systems like Linux. On this task, CUA gets a 38.1% score, which is higher than other publicly published results. Human performance in this task is 72.4%, so we still have room to grow, definitely. The other eval we'll take a look at is called Web Arena. Web Arena is an eval that measures how well AI agents navigate some common websites like e-commerce websites or social forum websites. So on this task, CUA gets 58.1%, again higher than other publicly published results, but still falls short of human performance. Still a way to go, yes. One thing that's important to remember about Web Arena is that even though it's the web, we're still just giving it the same universal interface of screen, mouse, and keyboard. We're not giving it any extra information that might help it do the task, like the raw text of the web page or information about which buttons are clickable, and all the information it needs, just like humans, is just in the screenshot.
Now, another thing that they will have to focus on is, of course, safety. Using an AI agent opens up a variety of different possibilities, risk, and security vulnerabilities. Imagine you're having an AI agent, or even a bunch of AI agents, do many different things on the internet that are borderline illegal, harassment, or just a variety of different tasks that it really shouldn't be doing. They've developed essentially a kind of framework that ensures the AI agent stays aligned, ensure it doesn't mess up, and of course, ensure your personal details aren't leaked, or the agent doesn't do something that compromises your security.
Yeah, so I think we're all very excited about this vision of Operator doing your chores for you, but it is one of the first agents that we're putting out in the world, and which has real world side effects. And so we thought carefully about how to deploy this safely. The framework we used to think about this was one centered around, so for example, what if the user is misaligned? So maybe they're asking for a harmful task, like buy a weapon or something like that. In that case, fortunately, we've done a lot of work with ChatGPT to bring over a lot of the same mitigations. So for example, we refuse harmful tasks, including harmful agentic tasks. We have moderation models, we have post hoc detection, we have blocked websites. And I'm kind of rattling off these mitigations, but that's
yeah, that's the kind of use cases they have thought about. But people can still get around it and get the ChatGPT, get the AI agent to do something that it really shouldn't be doing. My brain not braining these days. Yeah, it happens to everybody, Vishal. After all these AI threats, I believe blockchain could have done better if more research was done. Yeah, but Bit unfortunate, isn't it? When money and when greed comes in, yeah, you're done.
Really how we think about it. It's this stack of mitigations that each incrementally reduce the risk to the point where we feel comfortable deploying.
So all the confirmations that we're saying, hey, do you want to reserve the restaurant?
Yeah,
Should you
exactly.
buy the tickets? Those are all examples of this.
Exactly. And I'm about to talk about the confirmations. So another area of misalignment is if the agent is misaligned. So if the model makes a mistake, maybe purchases the wrong item or books the wrong hotel room. For this, our main mitigation is confirmations. So the operator will come back if it's about to do something stateful.
Okay, I'm bored already. I'm not interested in OpenAI operator agent anymore. Whatever it is, whether it is screenshots, whether it is anything, doesn't excite me anymore. Blol, they give grants to kids in Web3 and most don't do shit. Yeah. There was one LinkedIn post that I saw where some investor was saying that just in the past week, I have been pitched by 20 AI companies, agent companies. I'm not sure which one to support and which one to go ahead with. And I was like, same. These AI companies and AI agent companies, what are they trying to do? They are saying that we are helping you do your work. Okay, but where is the variety in this statement? Some AI agent could have said that we help in code compilation. We can help generate your code for you. But then again, that is a generalized statement. This AI ecosystem is built on hype. The word agent is trending right now. So everybody is jumping on this keyword. And OpenAI, I think they know it. OpenAI knows it, that you have to keep the hype to a certain level. How AI impact your work related to Shopify? It didn't. It actually didn't. Let me show you something. And this is an example. I could show you the usage of ChatGPT. So I will stay logged out. I don't want to give my information away. So let me search this one. Yesterday I was dealing with a bug. Shopify API, what was it? Themes, GraphQL. So look at this. So theme is a shop query in GraphQL that gives you a theme with an ID, and then inside that there is files. And files of a theme of an e-com store is basically like a collection of files that help serve the content. You can view an e-commerce store like a basic body, a skeleton, and then these files you see right here, assets/index.js. These files are injected and placed correctly, and that's how the whole website gets rendered. So let me search this thing. How to get theme assets of a store in Shopify GraphQL. Now look at this. Now it gave me theme, let me zoom in. It has given me theme and ID and assets. But the reality is the assets key, it doesn't exist in theme anymore. So look at this. So the API version, let's say 2025-01. So here we go. The assets key does not exist anymore. Even if I open this, you see, in all of the fields right here that you see, one second, let me, here we go. So online store theme, a theme for display on the storefront, hide fields, created at files, ID, name, prefix, processing failed, role, theme store ID, translations, and updated at. And here we have no assets key, but ChatGPT thinks that there is an assets key. So already it got it wrong. And now if I tell it, the API version is 2025-01, could you please recheck? Could you please recheck? See, I said to ChatGPT that the API version is 2025-01, and it said you are right. I missed specifying the version. Thanks for pointing that out. In Shopify API, this one, the GraphQL's query structure for fetching theme assets would be similar, but it's always a good idea to check the latest documentation for any small changes. So ChatGPT themselves are admitting that they don't know what it is. but they are still giving you an answer which obviously you're not going to read the fine print of, and you will just assume that this is the correct answer, and at that point you're fucked. So no, AI has not impacted my work even in the slightest. Search Nikke game. Okay, what is that? Goddess of Victory. No, I think this game will have some kind of images that might be problematic. When will AI blank robots become a norm so that many companies and startups starting bringing out blank robots, thus bringing down price, making it affordable by me? Okay, I didn't know you were a degenerate man of culture. Small AI startup will not work if they are using OpenAI or any other API in background. They can be destroyed in days. I pointed this question out in Varun Maya's video, if you remember. Hey Doofus, welcome back. Hey. Okay, you're banned. Now go and suck TechLeak's dick. सर जी मैंने अपने भैया से आज पूछा कि हाउ लॉन्ग कैन यू स्टे एट योर वाइफ जस्ट गो टू वर्क ही स्टार्टेड लाफिंग एंड सेड तुझे भी पता लगेगा एक दिन. Nice, nice. The CNBC video on your YouTube feed is a complete proof of hypocrisy from the West. I watched it full. Don't advise to you to do so at just West tantrums. What is that about? CNBC video. Which one is it? Oh, this one. How China's new AI model DeepSeek is threatening US dominance. They are not worried about China. They are worried about their dominance in the AI space. Imagine that is tech lead lol. Yeah, what drama is this? They are so trying hard to justify it to me as if that means anything. If somebody has a Telegram, go to his Telegram and check it out. Maybe they are bitch talking about me there. Instead of slowly giving poison, just maximize the dose. I'm gonna start to. Did you watch match yesterday? No, bro. I don't watch cricket anymore. Sorry. Bro, yeah. I know. I understood. Instantly saw it and I knew that's what that is. I think you missed this. ByteDance UiTar desktop is like an OpenAI operator but open source. So how will they make money, bro? How will they make money? GUI agent application based on that allows you to control your computer using natural language. Massive security risk. No. Who the fuck uses Telegram for socializing? 99% of them use it to private stuff. Discord way better for socializing. Nice. That's not my issue, haha. How much DSA is needed to move to development? Random thoughts. Welcome to the channel, Random Thoughts. I think this is your first time here. Do you want to get banned, PhD? Nice. Jan Lekan said Gen AI would be thing of past and the world would focus completely on robotics in the next 5 years. And achieve what, bro? Doofus, please tell me. Achieve what exactly? Focusing on robots in the next 5 years. Is it workers? Is it... didn't we hear about this robot that costed like $200,000 and that is like a robot girlfriend that they created? There is video showcase how it's work. Didn't Moist Critical create a video on AI girlfriends? Not AI girlfriends, more like girlfriends who are robots driven by AI. Yeah, that's the word. Penguin Zero robot girlfriend. Yeah, this one. AI girlfriend robots are here. That's terrifying, right? Why are you constantly banning those who are talking about a tech lead channel? Why? And you're gonna get banned as well, Trisflix. Stay out of it's a chill stream. Let's play Scribble, bro. What kind of startups are you looking forward to in the upcoming months, years? Not asking about AI sloppy companies. I asked this question to my college professors. They were licking the AI boot. What kind of startups am I looking for? Okay. I hope India finally gets into game development. I really hope that. Once and for all, some company is like, fuck it, we will do it, and they fix the gaming industry. At least produce some nice games, and not indie games. Indie game development studios are already there. I'm saying like move into mainstream AAA or quadruple A type games or sports games. Sports games are done for. Like FIFA and cricket, they have completely messed it up now. It's not gonna be recoverable. But shooting games, arcade games, I hope some studios make it big. Funny that it's new people talking about a tech lead as if they have deliberately come here. Yeah, that's what it feels like to me. You chose to be here. Why do you seek my validation? Go watch him. Done, easy. Forget what I have to say. How much aptitude is needed for interview? What's your view on market condition in 2025? How much aptitude is needed? Half a kg of aptitude, bro. What kind of question is that, man? Market condition, I think it's going to stay the same way. People will say, oh, it's bad, there is no jobs or whatever. But then you try enough and you will get one. You might not get the 50 LPA or that kind of package, but a good package of 5 LPA or 7 LPA, you might be able to get that. I'm in first year and currently learning DSA, how much extent I have to learn it, and after that what to do. Just get into development when you're confident with your DSA. Maybe try grinding out lead code a little bit. What if something clicks while you are doing that? Right, that's a good way to go about it. That's one strategy. Other strategy will be to, be out there on Twitter or YouTube or anywhere so that it helps with your image and people are interested in what you are doing. What did I miss? What is the tea about tech lead, Elmao? No, there is no tea. They are constantly spamming the chat for my validation. Not gonna get it. But yeah. Search, I made my own game for India, game development in Hindi. What do you think about Mumbai Gullies? Huh? Not possible. I am working in one. Oh, you are a game dev. Oh, only Panda AI. Okay, nice. Let me search Mumbai Gullies. Mumbai Gullies gameplay.
मुंबई गलीज का नया गेम प्ले फुटेज आ गया है जिसका एक्सक्लूसिव एक्सेस गेम्स गॉसिप इंडिया को सबसे पहले देने के लिए
Doesn't it look like San Andreas?
गेम यॉन का शुक्रिया। इसमें हमें पहले वाले बिल्ड से काफी कुछ इंप्रूव दिख रहा है। सबसे पहले बेसिक से शुरू करते हैं जो है इसके ग्राफिक्स, जो बेटर रियलिस्टिक लगने लगा है ड्यू टू इंप्रूव लाइटिंग एंड टेक्सचर्स। कैरेक्टर एनिमेशन में मैकेनिक्स अब थोड़े और स्मूथ लग रहे हैं और ग्लिचेस कम ही दिख रहे हैं। व्हीकल हैंडलिंग में भी एनहांसमेंट किए गए जिसमें फिजिक्स थोड़े बहुत डाले गए। हाँ, पर अभी भी काफी काम बाकी है एंड हमें नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि इट्स स्टिल अंडर डेवलपमेंट एंड फाइनल प्रोडक्ट काफी अलग दिखेगा।
Okay, problems. Such a less crowd, understandable that it is raining, so people will not be on the road. I was wrong about Mumbai Gullies. Okay.
कोलिजन्स फिक्स कर दिए गए जिसमें अब कार टकरा के हवा में नहीं उड़ जाती। एंड फाइनली पूरे फुटेज की हाईलाइट जो है इसका थंडरस्टॉर्म वेदर, जहां वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स, वाटर स्प्रेड एंड लाइटनिंग के इफेक्ट्स पूरी रियलिज्म देते।
Okay, why is there no police stopping this guy for drifting? I feel like this guy should be immediately stopped and he should be fined. The shocking reality of Mumbai gullies in 2024. Dev build, not final product. Okay. Seems to be hype, but I'm really rooting for them. Yes, so am I. It's a year ago that this game dropped, but
मुंबई गलीज गेम के साथ अभी भी मेरी बात पर विश्वास नहीं है भाई, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, मैंने बता दिया जो था। एंड ये इंट्रो भी कुछ ज्यादा ही लंबा हो चुका है, सो इसलिए मेन कंटेंट। बट अगर आज वाला लेजी असैसिन यही सेम आर्टिकल पढ़ता तो गेम ऑन की हिस्ट्री जानने की कोशिश स्टार्ट हुई।
फिर बाद में 2021 में हम लोग ने मुंबई गलीज का जो एग्जीक्यूशन है वो स्टार्ट किया।
उन्होंने इस आइडिया को एग्जीक्यूट करने का सोचा।
फिर बाद में 2021 में हम लोग ने
गेम एक्सप्लेन करोगे तो क्या कहोगे कि भाई गेम मुंबई गलीज में सेट है, साल से वर्क किया जा रहा है। तो मुझे लगा कि हाँ भाई, अगर 5 साल से वर्क हुआ है तो गेम का वर्ल्ड एंड मे बी एनपीसीज एंड इवन स्टोरी वगैरह भी रेडी होंगे, इसलिए मैंने ट्रस्ट कर लिया टीजर पे। एंड इवन हम सभी ने कर लिया। इसके ग्राफिक्स देखने में अच्छे लग रहे थे एंड ये पूरी इंडियन गेमिंग कम्युनिटी में बहुत वायरल भी हो गया था। मिडपैट, स्काउट सभी लोगों ने इस पर रिएक्ट किया था। बहुत जल्दी इस पर 1 मिलियन व्यूज भी हो गए थे। सिर्फ टीजर ही एग्जिस्ट करता है, गेम एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता। एंड मैं आपको बता दूं कि जो ये एनिमेशन यहाँ पे बनाई गई है वो गेमियन ने नहीं बनाई है, वो
they need to really up their game on this one. Mumbai gullies, yeah. Good afternoon, Lasan Mama. I'm good. How you doing, bro? AI hype is so bad in colleges. Yeah, because it has bled into college ecosystems now, where even professors are using this word. The last time I saw Tech Lead was when I was in class 11. Just couldn't stand his ego. Even Harkirat also feels like 50% Tech Lead now. These people really make the industry suck more. Could be, could be. Do you have a gaming setup? Yes, I do. This is an ROG phone, Asus. This is an Asus laptop. It has RTX 3080 and 32 gigs RAM. So yeah, I have a gaming machine. I do play games. Let me show you my Epic Games. Sorry. Let me show you my Epic Games library so you would see it. I also want to start posting on X, but I don't really know what to post. I was thinking I can tell about what I am working on, then maybe discuss the DSA questions that I find challenging. Is that a good idea? Yes, Dimple, it is a good idea. This is my library of games that I have. So I do play games sometimes. I am thinking about Marvel Rivals now because I'm seeing a lot more content on YouTube and platforms. But yeah. Search good video. I made my own game development in Hindi. Okay, I will. ROG has a phone. Yeah, they do. I have this phone. Asus ROG phone 5S. This one. This phone, I have it. I don't play PUBG New State. It's trash. Tell us about off-campus strategies because my college has poor campus. So was mine, bro. The only thing that I did was apply on Naukri and just go ham on it. Just apply 60 or 70 jobs in a day, making it my day job, basically, applying to companies. That's what I did. Let's play a game then. I can't because this phone is currently getting used as a webcam. Did you try Path of Exile 2 or Destiny 2? Not yet, but I hope to try it. I hope to. And you are almost half of him. Yeah, you are getting banned. Do you like Manohar Batra channel? Genuine सा लगता है. Somewhat. Yeah, somewhat. The only the smallest criticism I have for him is he takes his subscriber stories and makes a video about them. And I'm like, really like, and then this is very small thing I have to, it's not a big complaint I have about him. So the necessary move towards transition to robotics to make something close to AGI, though I'm skeptical as we are so far behind in robotics right now, but coming from a leading researcher, I don't know what to think. Whew. Make something close to AGI. Do first, you are in this space. How do you define AGI? Isn't that a subjective thing? Can you change the Asus logo LED thing in the back? Yes, I can. Here we go. Can you see it? Here. Yeah, you should be able to see it. There you go. I do have it. But how often do you look at the back of your laptop anyway? Isn't it? The front is always better than the back. Not a heavy game, just a scribble. Now, how much does it cost? It costed me 2,42,000 rupees when I bought it the first time. ROG phone are not good, just overpriced. Yes, I would agree with you. Only Panda, yeah. There are way better indie Indian games like Raji, Kamla and Fears to Fathom. Okay, Fears to Fathom, is it? Fears to Fathom gameplay.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video.
Oh, shut up.
Hey, trail? What is trail? Okay.
Okay, I don't want to watch this guy. I want to watch someone else. Full game walkthrough. Okay, this one, no commentary. Nice, creepy vibes, nice. It's alright. Maybe I'll check it out. Yeah, that's what his channel is about. But new IT service based लोगों के लिए कुछ video insightful है. Somewhat I would say it is insightful. Yeah, somewhat. It's not my first time. My name was Rachit. And what happened to your internship program? Yeah, my internship program kind of fell apart, bro. All 3 of them, they are now fired. I can't dedicate any more of my time to them because I thought I laid it out very clearly that you should not be late to my sessions, and I will give you 3 Sundays to spare. 2 of them, one of them, his name is Ankush. He got expelled within 2 weeks. I threw him out because he attended an hour late in the first session, and the second session he did not even attend. So I'm like, throw this guy out. So I threw him out. Next guy, he survived for 2 months, then said, I have exam. He told me his exams are over, then showed no progress after that. Pretty much, he made Sundays like a doubt session class for me. And he was like, I didn't work on anything this week because I was stuck on this thing. And I used to tell him that you could reach out to me any day of the week that you want, then why didn't you? So then he's like, no, I was thinking I was disturbing you. But then I'm like, no, you can reach out to me anytime you want. That carried on for 2 or 3 weeks more. And then I'm like, no, this guy is not doing anything. He's just making excuses up. 7 days of the week, I have told you, you can DM me anytime you want to ask for doubts. You're only doing it on Saturday sessions, Sunday sessions, when I'm calling you. Like, is this not excuses? So I threw him out. After that, Rakim, the last guy, he managed to survive like 5 months. From July to December, this guy tried to stick around. After that, he also told me his exams are there. Then no DMs on Discord that frequently. Like 1 or 2 DMs, mostly in 3 or 4 weeks. And then he's not even asking me for the Sunday sessions, if that's happening or not. It's like, do you need me or I need you? Like, what is the equation here? That's when I got pissed off. And I was like, nah, I can't dedicate any more of my time. So I will try it again this July. And I will take 10 of you. Because I have hopes that just because I took 3 people doesn't mean that maybe I took 3 bad apples. So I will take 10 of you, and then we will see from there who manages to survive the whole year with me. So that is where my internship program is. Lol, from time to time again I have summoned to define AGI. It's artificial girlfriend. And what about I, bro? GE Demon 1. And your name is not, your name was not Rachit. My name was Rachit. So what it is now? What is it now? Damn, 2 lakh for a phone. No, not 2 lakh rupees for a phone, for a laptop, bro. My phone costed like what, 38,000 when I bought it? Bro chose the worst guy. Could be. Can you take me? You rejected me because I was first year first time. No, bro, first year is way too early. Yeah, way too early for you. Your third year would be the sweet spot where I can take you for internship program. But first year is too early, too early. I am open to work, Kuni Panda. Reach out to me on Discord, bro. Let's see. I think you're the Python guy, are you? You know Python, Kuni Panda, isn't it? Yep, highly subjective. Though if we have to look at it from a high level, we can probably define it as something which is close to human-like and economically viable tasks. Tasks don't define intelligence, bro. Artificial GNI is girlfriend. I equal to doll. What the fuck? He's talking, bro's talking about alpha. No, I'm not talking about alpha. He's a straight up beast when it comes to coding. He has worked with me for like what, 6 months now? I work with him on and off. I'm more like I give him tasks, he does it for me, I pay him, and that's what our transaction lies. There is no official there is no official contract between me and him. It's just on a basis of on and off. But no, not alpha. Only Beast Boy Shubh is respected. Man, please don't play his video again. Yeah, I won't. Fears to Fathom even got played by streamers like Speed, etc. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay, so let's jump out of that. Why does YouTube want me to watch this video, man? It is constantly pushing this video to me. I'm not that big of a fan of Glaucus. Yeah, this one. Bye 250K.
It's perhaps a typical immigrant story that going into college and all throughout college, one of my number one concerns, if not my number one concern, was finding a good job at a reputable company. And by the end of that, feeling like I'd accomplished a lot of what my parents, not just my parents, but like essentially what was it all for? It was to stabilize my life. And I'm now myself too. When people ask me why I've made this life change and why I made this now, I give them primarily 3 reasons. The first one being by far the most important, which is that I very much think of my life in phases. For example, you have the phase of being a kid under 18 and you have the phase of being an undergrad. And really what I define this phase of my life as is the pre-kids phase. And that's just because I've always known I want to have a family. Not everyone wants to, makes sense. But I've always known.
Oh, nice. Do you own a credit card or you purchase directly with cost like laptop of 2L? No, EMIs, bro. You really thought that I bought this laptop in one shot? Nah, EMIs. My phone is on EMIs, was on EMIs, now it is paid off. My laptop was also on EMIs, paid off in 2023, yeah. Somewhere along in 2023, yeah, I paid it off. But no, I never buy things. I don't think I can buy a laptop like this in one payment. No. Just don't recommend. Hey Code Edits, welcome back. I am pushing it, but just take me in your classes. Let me listen. No need to pay attention to me. That's not fair. Random thoughts. That's not fair. At that point, I might as well just create tutorials, isn't it? Because then I won't have to worry about who watches or who doesn't watch. That's not fair, I believe. Glocus is just new channel without any opinions, and instead of claiming he's a news channel, he calls himself opinion man. Nah, he isn't. I don't like Parik Jain. His videos are kind of repetitive. Yeah, and you know what? In 2025 YouTube eco space, the YouTube dev space, nothing will change because YouTubers have already taken advantage of students by throwing money at them, throwing the dreams of working at big tech companies and all, and it's just going to continue. The same DSA roadmap, the same AI roadmap, the same your job will get replaced kind of videos. They are so far in that they cannot come out of it anymore. They can't pivot to other content on YouTube. So 2025 we're gonna see the same things on the YouTube dev space. Yeah, happy Republic Day to you as well, Kuni Panda. By the way, is Kuni your first name and Panda is like a YouTube username? Is it Kuni Panda? Lassan Mama, I know your name is not Lassan Mama. Instead of watching live Insan, let's play Scribble. Why are you so adamant on playing Scribble, bro? Play Scribble. Play Scrabble online for free. Find a match, play a friend, play the computer. Can we really? Play a friend. Continue via email, continue via Facebook. Find a match. They want me to sign in. It's Scribble, not Scrabble. Oh, okay. Is it this one? No, doesn't feel like it. Enter a name for your game. Sid. Save and continue. First link. Okay, first link. Enter your name, Sid, English, play. Oh, it is a drawing game. Oh, I see. Okay, so let's create a private one. Create private room. Invite. Copied room to clipboard. Here we go. Yes, this is it. Players, let's say 12. Language English. Draw time 80. Draw time would be 60, I believe. Rounds 3. Game mode normal. Word count 3. Hints 2. Start. You need at least 2 players to start the game. Bungee jumping joined the room. Okay. Okay, bungee jumping is here. So let's start. Round 1. Bro is a boomer lol, but I play BGMI. Could be. Audio man, too much. Yeah, I closed it. They said laws allow them to hire under 18. They said we don't want idiots too. What is it? Cloud. Yeah. Oh, this. I can't play this game. I'm literally live streaming it. If I get it right, then everybody will get it right. Don't draw 18 plus. I don't know. I even want to play this, but cool. Let's try. भाई इससे क्यों खिला रहा है? His channel is programming domain. Huh? What does that mean? Private fortune. Millennial moment. Bungee jumping is choosing a word. Let's say. You have point. I play the finals. Aren't board games cheap as Chinese games? Man, BGMI player are boomer. Ah, no. We are not boomers, bro. Limo joined the room. G. Disman disliked the drawing. Of course he did. So this is a 5-letter word. Nope. 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 What is it? Oh, tulip. Oh, okay, okay. I didn't get it. Okay. See. Now everybody saw it. Like, might as well just, yeah. You can literally see the answer. I can draw whatever I want. Just, yeah. Here you go. Hazelnut, free points for everybody. He said limestone. These nuts. No, bro, no one cheats. Like, don't show your answer. Hide your screen. Hide your screen when you are choosing word. I can't. It is OBS Studio. It will automatically be displayed. His channel is programming domain. What do you mean, private fortune? Please explain yourself. Limo is choosing a word. Okay. 8-letter word. Okay. House fire? No? Gasoline. Oh, okay. I see. Congratulations, haha. Mansion. Let him cook. Put your face came on the word. Okay. I think OBS you can hide the browser tab. I think there is a way. Stream is already 50-second delay. No one cheats. Oh, okay. No? Oh, there we go. It should have been the nose, not the mouth, bro. It should have been the nose. Yeah. Haha, wind, alright. I thought you only do software engineering and hiring based content on this channel. No, this is live stream, bro. We are just chilling. If you have a question, if you have something to say, do say. But for now, I'm playing with my members. So let's say, hello, कल आपने मेरी बात को गलत समझ लिया. मतलब मैंने उसको टकले को बोला था, लास्ट ज्ञान देता है पॉडकास्ट में आकर. Yeah, I understood. I was laughing about it. What is it? No? Oh. Shit. G Demon is choosing a word. Here you go. Gasoline. 12-letter word. Oh my god. Hey, here we go. Situationship. Nice. Nice. Okay, I am leading, I think. 1475, 1780, 1850. Oh, I am actually not. Oh, I am number 4. Oh, okay, okay. Oh. Okay, at least. You can put your video on the word while choosing. I could. I know. Okay, when does this end, bro? How many rounds is it? 8, round 2 of 3. Okay, so it will end pretty soon. The word was death. I mean, everything is death at the end. Man is choosing a word. Nice, choose your word, bro. Hmm. 9-letter word. Let's go. I also dislike. Just start drawing, bro. How you guys get death with that? Cross-eyed is death. Okay. Hey, here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Man, I'm good at this. Limo is choosing a word. Come on, pick a good word, Limo. I think Dimple Yadav, you are limo, is it? 5-letter word. Hey, here we go! Here we go! But I was first. Yes, limo is me. I thought so, yeah. Come on, doofus. Pick a good name. Drawing was so good, everyone could guess. Yeah. 5-letter word. Come on. Here we go. What kind of drawing is that? What is this? Huh? Oh, witch. Oh, okay. I thought it was bitch. Rachit is choosing a word. Come on, Rachit. Nah, I dislike the drawing. Yeah, doofus. You messed up. Man, you already guessed the word? What is this? Huh? Oh, rainbow. Oh, okay, okay. Schizophrenia. Okay, at this time I will put video on the thing. Guess this 3-letter word. Oh. Easy. I think this is my turn to. Yeah, so I will put it here so I can actually hide. Yeah, this time. Okay, bungee jumping is choosing a word. Okay. Oh, here we go. Good drawing though, good drawing. What did I draw? Just what did I draw? Really not wise. Body in 2D space and body in 3D. The word was draw. Oh, G Demon 1 won it. Oh, okay, okay. I was 4th. Okay, still good enough. Still good enough. That was fun. This was fun. Did I miss anything? No, you did not miss anything. We were just playing a game of Scribble. We'll play it again next time. But anyway.
That I want to have kids, and I've also become really aware from talking to a bunch of people that age that it totally changes your life, your priorities, especially as a woman, how much maybe you can fully give yourself to work. And I don't think that's a bad thing at all. I think it's great that we, have family-oriented people in society. But I also think it's just a totally different phase. And in this phase, I have way fewer responsibilities like a mortgage or a family. And what that gives me is margin in terms of time.
Sorry, Mana. This time we had played for today. It's already like 2 p.m. I'm thinking about continuing streaming until 2:30. And then, next week, next Saturday, we'll play with 15 members or 20 members on this stream. Taken 7. Taken 7, how can we play, bro? Oh, we can play Tekken 7, but I guess I have to buy the original version, is it? Tekken 7 online. Tekken 7 online without downloading. We can play Tekken 7 without downloading, wow. Can it work? Really? This is a scam website, I am thinking, no?
Time and like energy to make mistakes in whatever I want to try now. So effectively, I got to the conclusion that in this phase of my life, I want to characterize it as taking risks for something that is actually worthwhile. And I answered for myself that I don't care that much about like money, status, like any of that stuff, but I care a lot about autonomy over my time.
Why do you say gaming is cooked in 2025? Many new games are launching. PoE2, D2, GTA 6, Expedition 6. मुझे भी नहीं पता. I was bungee jumping. Oh, okay, you were bungee jumping. Okay. I was not last. I'm just happy with that. I was terrible at this. I was also terrible at this game, yeah. Gaming is cooked because the number of releases has a problem. The PS5 console is out, but do we have games supporting it that will justify me getting a PS5? No. Any game that gets created on PS5, it comes to PC anyway. I'm comparing gaming to the situation of the market back in 2007 and 2015. That was the golden age of games. Every new week we had a banger coming out, but we don't have that anymore. Games are overhyped, but it is under-delivered. Been like 4 or 5 years now, this has been the culture. Cyberpunk 2077 hurt the gaming industry more than any game that has ever hurt, because they launched a game in a crap position. They got away with it, with lawsuits and everything. They got away with it, and they then got the respect back when they maintained the game. And now every studio now thinks that we can put out whatever garbage we want, and we will promise to them that we are working on this product, and if they do or don't, they already took your money. So this is why I say gaming is cooked. So here you go. We can play Stumble on mobile too. It is like Fall Guys but mobile. I respect my effing name. I am the Scribble Master of Jan 6 2025. Good one. We can't play Tekken 7 online in India. Yeah, I think so. But can we though, through a website? No? This is a scam website, I think. Xbox S series is better option, but it don't support any CD. Okay. The devs didn't abandon us. Yeah, they did not abandon you, but that's not what the deal is. You are taking money from me today, so I am paying for the product that I have today, not the promise that it will be in 5 years. Plain and simple capitalism, bro. Bruh, Cyberpunk also made a comeback. The DLC is sick. But then again, look at what they did in the beginning. They overhyped the game for 13 years. The first trailer of Cyberpunk was out when? Like 15 years ago, is it? Cyberpunk 2077. First trailer. This was the first trailer. 12 years ago. 10 million views on GameSpot. But what did they deliver on day one when it finally released? Garbage. And later they made a comeback. It's not how this works. First impression was bad. You will feel pathetic when you know what Indian devs are up to, releasing crappy games full of microtransactions and nothing new. Yeah, but that's not the Indian problem, is it? That's a worldwide problem. PUBG is not the same game that it used to be anymore. I am 16-year-old and I want internship to get some BGMI skins. My rank is platinum and I don't know coding. Can you hire me? We'll see. But it's not an India problem. It's a world industry-wide problem.
It's perhaps a typical immigrant story. During those couple weeks, I was just doing whatever I wanted at any hour of the day. I was watching a movie, and then I was drinking tea, and then I decided to go for a walk.
This is boring. Cyberpunk was a letdown. Yeah, it was. And it kind of destroyed the gaming industry as a whole. Because now everybody now started to think that we can deliver whatever garbage we can and get away with it. Watch Nitrex Boy. What is that? Pal World? Is it? Oh.
The purpose of this video is only for entertainment and not to hurt any religion or
कि कुछ महीने पहले ब्लैक मिथ वुकोंग रिलीज हुआ था एंड जैसी तबाही उसने वर्ल्ड वाइड में मचाई है, लगभग गेम ऑफ द ईयर बनते बनते बच गया। बट इस बीच इंडिया के ही लोग इंडिया को काफी ज्यादा क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं इस बात को लेकर के नहीं कि इंडिया में ब्लैक मिथ वुकोंग जैसा गेम क्यों नहीं बनता, बल्कि इस बात को लेकर कि इंडिया के लोग अपने मिथोलॉजी के ऊपर गेम क्यों नहीं बनाते, लाइक रामायण महाभारत। वैसे जो भी को बात तो इनकी भी ठीक है, वेल इनसे तो बन ना सका, क्यों ना मैं ही ट्राई कर लूं। सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल मेक अ ट्रिपल क्वालिटी गेम जिसमें कॉम्बैट भले ही ब्लैक मिथ वुकोंग जैसा ना हो, बट पर एक प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है कि अभी अगर हम अपने कैरेक्टर के फेस को देखने की कोशिश करें तो वो हम नहीं कर सकते हैं। तो इस चीज को फिक्स करने के लिए हमें एक और लॉजिक लगाना होगा जिसका नाम है टारगेट लॉक। तो इसमें हमारे पास टोटल 2 मूवमेंट रहेंगे। एक मूवमेंट तो ये वाला हो गया जिसमें हम अपने फेस को नहीं देख पा रहे, यानी हमारा फेस हर टाइम आगे की तरफ रहेगा, और दूसरा मूवमेंट वो जिसमें हम अपने फेस को देख पाएंगे लाइक अदर ट्रिपल गेम्स। तो क्यों ना हाँ छोटे वाले एनिमी और राम जी के भी 3D मॉडल इंपोर्ट कर ले तो ये अच्छा रहेगा। तो एनिमी के लिए मैं यूज करने वाला हूँ ये वाला एसेट जिसमें हमें एक मॉन्स्टर टाइप का मॉडल दिख जाता है, ये वाला जो एक एनिमी का फील दे रहा है। ऑलराइट, तो गाइस दोनों एनिमी के एसेट्स को इंपोर्ट करने के बाद मैं आ चुका हूँ स्केच फैब पे। यहाँ पर मुझे एक श्री राम जी का काफी अच्छा खासा 3D मॉडल मिल चुका है, बट यहाँ पर एक प्रॉब्लम है कि श्री राम जी के दोनों हाथ में तीर और धनुष है जो हमें अभी के लिए नहीं चाहिए। तो जल्दी से इसको ब्लेंडर में इंपोर्ट करते हैं एंड कैरेक्टर को तैयार करते हैं। ओके, तो अभी हम आ चुके हैं ब्लेंडर पे एंड जैसा पेंट करने की जरूरत नहीं होगी एंड ये वो ऑटोमेटेड प्लगइन जिसको लगाते ही हमारा लैंडस्केप मिनटों में पेंट हो गया।
This is a nice video.
ऑलराइट, तो गाइस गेम बनकर रेडी है एंड बस हमें यहाँ पर अपने एनिमीज को रखना है, और ये रहा इस गेम का फाइनल लुक।
Too many stones on the ground. Okay, okay. Okay, I see. I see. I think I've seen this video before. But anyway, good effort, good effort. I'm not taking offense, but I'm sure some idiot would. +1 lazy engineer. Another garbage from Indian gaming studio, that is Indus Battle Royale. Nah, we should support them, bro. Oh, see this one. See, I told you, Vishal Sharma, I have seen this video. I made my own game development for India. I have seen this, 411k views. It's a good one. क्या बोलूँ मैं, ऐसा लगता है फेयरलाइट और एपेक्स लेजेंड्स ने संभोग करने के बाद इंडियस बैटल रॉयल पैदा हुआ है। Support the industries, bro, at least Indian one. But what game delivered garbage and sold well? 2007 to 2015, there wasn't that kind of time, bro. Every game was a banger, or almost every game was a banger. And these days, it is more flops than hits. Black Myth Wukong made it. But for that, wasn't there a game called Concord, was it? Concord failed. And then what other games were there that failed? Saints Row 5 failed. After that, overhype. What games were overhyped that failed? There are so many games that failed, bro. Basically, this is why I'm saying gaming industry is cooked. Ubisoft is about to be deleted from the market. That's how bad this is. How can I not say that gaming industry is cooked? 4G was the best game ever made. No, it wasn't. I tried and it was absolute trash. This was like capitalizing more on the sentiments of Indians being like, oh yeah, it's military, so yeah, we have to play that game, but it was actually trash. Bro completed Hitman World of Assassin series. No, I didn't. No, I haven't. I haven't played Hitman in such a long time, bro. Such a long time. I completely forgot about my own agenda for the live stream, and I ended up playing with you guys, but it's all right. Next time I can make a dedicated video on them. Sing in USA, complete trash channel, man, completely trash. GTA 6 will. How you buy this extensive games? No, I don't buy them, bro. I don't buy them. The secret ingredient is crime. अच्छे games भी बने हैं इंडिया में जैसे राजी. It's an amazing game. Maybe Godzilla Fortnite. Godzilla Fortnite. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. Didn't PUBG had the same thing with Godzilla back in 2020? They made something like this. Godzilla in PUBG. They have made it in PUBG as well. Oh, here we go. In angle PUBG mobile test server. Yeah, they did it already. Yeah, that's what this character used to do. Like randomly just start throwing the rays at some area or whatever, and if you got caught, you would die. PUBG already did this, so Fortnite doing it doesn't really do anything, does it? How is software testing job? Yeah, it's good. Every games are banger now. Every game is a banger. This is much better. Okay, let's see what this is.
I was watching Maya. No, not this one. The anime one. And I thought I could make a game out of it. Something like Uncharted or Plague Tale. I picked up this scene for my game. Since Ram is an archer, I downloaded some animations from.
Oh, this is good. I think I have some sort of frame rate issue, but this actually looks good. Watch this trailer. Yeah, this one actually looks good. Game on Ramayana. New Neva gameplay trailer. Okay, indie game. Okay, let's go. These type of games, I like them. It's very soothing to play, isn't it? I have to mute out the audio because I'm tired of YouTube throwing content claims at me. So now, yeah. Just my yesterday's stream got content claimed. So I had to like put a request to tune out all of the music. Maggie when? I already ate it. Didn't I show it to you guys that I'm eating a small cup of Maggie now? I'm trying to be health conscious now. I'm trying to move away from junk food and everything. So Sunday Maggies would be a thing, but in small amount. I completed Hitman. It's too good. I wish I had the time to play it, but yeah. I agree, but there are games were meant to fail when people first tried beta. Then why release the game and charge people money, bro? This is what Fortnite is, what making different when it comes to Godzilla. You can play as Godzilla. Check this. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. Piracy, yep. That's what that is. Just crack the game, don't buy. You can become the Godzilla in Fortnite. That's the difference. Okay, I see. Have you ever tried ginger ale, Sid? No, I haven't. What is ginger ale? Are you talking beer, is it? Ginger ale. Oh, carbonated soft drink flavored with ginger. Okay, so it's a soft drink. All right. I instantly went to beer. I thought, yeah, is ginger ale alcoholic? Absolutely no alcohol content. Okay, then that's all right. But nah, I haven't tried it. What piracy do you have in your laptop, bro, anyway? Oh no, I missed it. Yeah. The upcoming Xbox Game Pass games are good. Oh, let's actually check that out. Xbox Game Pass. What games are they offering these days? It is a good thing that you can play the latest games day one, but so what are the games? Ninja Gaiden 2 Black, Gigantic Rampage Edition, Starbound, Lonely Mountains, UFC 5, Road 96, Carry On for the King, Explore all games. PC games. So what games are these? Okay, PC games. So Black Ops 6, Modern Warfare, Forza Horizon, Cricket 24, Minecraft. Explore more. Okay. So what do we have here? Minecraft, Palworld. Oh, Palworld is on Game Pass. Okay, nice. Mafia Definitive Edition. I have to have a kid. At this point, I have to have a kid. I will get him or get them a PlayStation 5 or Xbox or a PC for their own gaming device. And he or she will play the games for me. I'll be like, do your studies and then turn on the camera and stream yourself playing it. That's when I can get the necessary ROI for Xbox Game Pass. If I get it for myself, I barely get like 2 or 3 days a month to play games, so it's not worth it for me. It looks like a beer can for real, but it is good. Yeah, it does. It does. How to parry a nuclear explosion. Wow. Really? In real life, you would get blasted in a second. Resident Evil 3, Age of Empires 4, Football Manager, Stalker, Mortal Kombat. These are good games. These are good games, I would say. Recently added Indiana Jones, WRC, I'm sorry. Overthrown, Diablo, Carrion, coming soon, Orcs Must Die, Death Trap, Sniper Elite, Doom, The Dark Ages. Oh, A Plague Tale Requiem is also on. A Way Out is also on Game Pass. Anthem, oh, nice. Okay. Your wife will kill you. Ask your wife to play together. These are too good. I cracked them all. Sing in US's videos used to be so good back then, but now he's just doing videos on any normal tech influencer. Could be. Not everyone is here to make $1 million, bro. Not everyone gets FOMO because some friend of yours got a Mercedes. Sing in US is like that 18-year-old kid who made it to US and now other 16-year-old kids are aspiring to be in his shoes. His don't do PhD is literally the trashiest as an undergrad researcher. Did he really say that though? Sing in USA. Sing in USA, don't do PhD. Really? How PhD can destroy your career? Oh, it's Harnoor Singh. Oh, this is Sing in USA, right? Yeah, this is the guy.
have been the years of recession in tech industry. मैंने ऐसा भी देखा है कि अगर किसी बैच में 10 इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो 8 स्टूडेंट्स को भी कुछ केसेस में जॉब नहीं मिली अब तक, और वो सोचते हैं कि यार you have a research project and you have to continuously deliver, continuously make projects, continuously travel for conferences, and ये commitment बहुत लंबी हो सकती है.
Thousands and thousands of your models will fail.
While you compare someone in tech job, तो सबसे पहले तो when they graduate, let's say at the age of 22, 23, they are starting their job. अब let's say per year, let's say they are saving 10 lakh rupees or 20 lakh rupees per year in the US, UK, wherever. Now comparing with PhD student 4 years के बाद let's say is making more money, saving more money, let's say 24, 25 lakh rupees. But the first guy was saving 20 lakh rupees. अगर वो अपने money अच्छे से invest करता है, 4 years later, it could be maybe 30-35 lakh rupees on an increment of 7 to 8% per year with the good stock market and index fund returns. So that could be game changing in terms of financial value that you're accumulating with just tech job versus PhD. तो आप चाहे बाद में ज़्यादा पैसे कमा रहे हो नहीं कमा रहे हो, that's questionable. But even if you are making more money, your savings rate could be less, and the lifestyle after 4 years, which you can think of buying a house versus you can just start a life. तो ये क्वेश्चंस आपको जरूर पूछने चाहिए. Now टेक जॉब के लिए PhD versus मास्टर्स, अगर आप ये सारे आर्टिकल्स देखो, you will realize as compared to a degree. You're losing that return, you're losing that package.
अच्छा, ये तो मैं सरासर डिसएग्री करता हूँ तुमसे हरनूर साहब. इशू ये कि देखो, आप PhD स्टूडेंट हो, आप कोई जेल में तो हो नहीं, ठीक है. अब ये जो पॉइंट है कि जो PhD ना करके वो जो 5-6 साल अगर आप जॉब कर रहे होते तो पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर सकते थे.
हाँ, मेरा ये पॉइंट था.
हाँ, तो वो गेन्स आपने लूज कर दिए है कि नहीं. अब देखो, इन्वेस्ट करना ही है तो फिर बैचलर्स भी क्यों करो. वो 12th के बाद.
Exactly, that's a good point. If you want to invest, why even do bachelors? Like, this guy is an idiot, man. PhD students, they love their field so much that they are willing to make new breakthroughs in the field. And this guy is like, it can destroy your career. Like, shut the fuck up, bro. If you haven't done your PhD, then don't say anything. Dude, no one does PhD because they want to make more money. His literal motivation is wrong. No wonder why many bright minds don't pick up research. Exactly. And if he hasn't done his PhD, then he has no right to speak about it. I recommend playing Grinfy games like Path of Exile 2, Warframe, or Destiny 2, or best FPS game Doom Eternal. But bro, random thoughts. Have you played Rocket League? Rocket League is the best game, bro. 5 minutes, go in, get a match, play it, done, boom, back to work. +1 doofus. Exactly. Mark Zuckerberg predicts AI will replace software developers. A bold vision for the future. What do you think, bro? Your thoughts? He's an idiot. Mark Zuckerberg is the same person who invested billions of dollars in metaverse. And where is it now? Actually, let's search. Metaverse net worth. Metaverse market size to worth 3.1 billion by 2032. And I'm pretty sure Mark Zuckerberg spent like what, 18 to 19 billion dollars on metaverse. Where is it? Facing loss. Why Meta is willing to lose billions on the metaverse? The same guy who created a failing product, a bleeding money product, is now saying that AI will replace us. Shut the fuck up, bro. An operating loss of 4.48 billion in Meta's Q2 2024 earnings report. Bro even changed his company's name to Meta. Yeah, Rocket League is such a fun game. Yeah, it is. It's time saving for me as well. So what should I say? What should I say on what, bro? I will have all game access, just don't got the good CPU. बहुत साल पहले मैंने एक गेम खेला था, डार्क नाइट बैटमैन का अमेजिंग गेम था उस टाइम के हिसाब से, एंड इट स्टिल इज. बैटमैन आर्कम नाइट स्टिल होल्ड्स अप. जैसा ट्रेलर है अगर ऐसा गेम डिलीवर किया ना तो बहुत अच्छा है, पर इधर डिलीवर ऐसा किया नहीं आता, प्रॉब्लम है. बिकॉज ऑफ देयर रेपुटेशन, यूज ऑफ डाइंग, because of lack of culture display in games, adding useless DEI stuff, and all their recent games were garbage. See, even now you admit it. The toxicity in gaming is very bad and worse, especially in Free Fire or Fortnite and Warzone. Yeah, you have an easy option, lazy engineer. Just turn off chat. You're done. TikTok will overtake Instagram, it seems. Zuck is scared of it. TikTok isn't it banned in US already? Is TikTok really banned in USA? Oh, so TikTok is suspended in the United States. Okay. Thoughts on Akshay Saini, shameless seller. Pretends to know about the tech market, but yeah, if you're a course seller, just stay in your lane, bro. Simple as that. On Akshay Saini, don't pretend that you know what is going on in the market. Akshay Saini, I saw a video of his, like fine, cracking machine coding interview, Terraform component using React. you can do this because you know this. It's all right. But this thing, AI replacing software engineers in 2025, Zuckerberg, you have no right to speak on this because you are not in the same space as us. Namaste JavaScript and Namaste React were two of his bangers that got him on the map. But if you're a seller, just be a seller, bro. That's all. Mindstack is dead. See, he also jumped on this hype train. Mindstack is dead. My ass. Hello Sid, I'm new here. Tushar Sinha. Actually, I got a job using fake experience, and now in post background verification, they got my 2 resumes with different client organization. Now they are asking for clarification of it. How can I help you, bro? You literally shot your own foot. How can I help you here? I remember Splinter Cell Blacklist. It was the best stealth game I had played ever. Yeah, I just went no stealth. Get the gun, boom, 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 boom. Fuck the stealth. I don't care. Last night I was solving a lead code hard problem and I was facing some issue. Then I asked ChatGPT for the solution. ChatGPT solved it within few seconds. I was trying to solve it for 1 hour. And you know what you did to yourself, Sitabjo Biswas? You threw away your learning curve and you gave it to ChatGPT to solve it. The lead code problems are already solved by lead code people. That's how they are able to come up with a question, isn't it? They are not giving you research level questions that haven't been solved yet. So somebody has already solved it. Therefore, that training data is also with ChatGPT and it can solve it. That doesn't mean what you did here is you threw away the learning opportunity. I hope you realize that. This is why I made a video on stop using AI for coding. Here's why. That's what I said in that video. It takes away the learning responsibility, the learning curve from you. TikTok already banned in US. Oh, okay. Akshay Kai promises high packages and placement assistance as well. Maybe. He does, maybe. I don't know. Let's check it out. Akshay Saini. namastedev.com. Okay, so let's click this. So here's the site. Learn, code, succeed, start your journey today. Okay. Take the leap into a world of coding with our comprehensive courses, learn from top industry mentors, and gain practical experience through real-world projects. Very front and back and forth. We got you covered. Okay, so Namaste Dev, Republic Dev 40% off. Meet your mentor. Yeah, here we go. Top companies where our students work. Our student testimonials. Testimonials, yeah, doesn't matter. Let's hear from them. So these are some, okay. Join the community, share the gift for a future in tech. Yeah, I don't see any placement strategy or anything like that. Also, just this small line where companies are mentioned, but it's all right. You can do that. Okay, so let's say month stack bundle. Let's see how expensive this is. ₹4,637 plus GST. Oh, so okay. So 2,000 rupees off. Okay. It's not too expensive, so it is good. 2 courses, you are getting Node.js and React. Yeah, it's not expensive. Fuck. Trump is hardcore dirty bizman. People in USA are selling pre-installed smartphones for like 5-10k USD on eBay and Facebook Marketplace. Oh, okay. Trump invited TikTok CEO on his inauguration though. So I don't see any red flag here, at least. See again this line of where our top students work. But other than that, it's... Oh, refund policy. Okay. Try it risk-free. Okay, nice. We are confident you will love this course. It's not the right fit. No worries. Get a refund within 7 days. No questions asked. Yeah, that's at least they are offering you a refund policy for 7 days. Unlike that guy Hitesh. But what to do if you are stuck in a lead code question? Power through it, study it, try approaches. That's a skill issue actually. DeepSeek R1 is really good. I already switched to it fast and free. Really? Let's see. DeepSeek R1. Looks a lot like ChatGPT, but okay. How many words are in this prompt? Ugh. Such a long answer. Keep it short, please. There you go. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, let's try the classic question. How many hours in the word strawberry? Oh, such a 3 hours. Okay. At least this is good. Perplexity gave 1 month free subscription to few colleges. Okay. Pre-installed TikTok smartphone. I forgot to mention TikTok. So it's a TikTok smartphone. Okay. To be honest, Akshay Saini is not bad. He is genuine guy who अलग बात है. मैंने उसका कभी कोर्स नहीं लिया, टेलीग्राम से देख लिया, पर ठीक है जितना देख के समझ आता है. Okay. At least I can respect his 7-day refund policy. At least, yeah. Turn on DeepThink. It's better than O1. What is DeepThink now? DeepSeek is here. Now DeepThink. AI consulting. This is some Chinese website, bro. What? I think you mean DeepSeek. Oh, okay. I ordered RK75 keyboard. What is an RK75 keyboard, bro? RK75 keyboard. Oh, nice. One of these? 7,000 rupees for a keyboard. Fair. This one? GE Demon 1? DeepSeek is literally killing ChatGPT's market. And I'm not gonna lie, I sort of like it. I'm sort of liking it. Okay, write a program to find out if a provided number is a prime number. So def is prime n, less than 2 return false, equal to return true, mod 2 return false, math dot square root of n plus 1. Really? So you have to only loop it to the square root, not divided by 2. Something is fishy. Okay, so what do you think of Hustle with Harman? What is that? Hustle with... Huh? This is a skincare home tour sort of guy? I don't know what this guy is. Never even heard of this guy before. Quitting my job, 20 mistakes, 5 habits to look expensive. I don't know who this guy is. I don't think I have seen his video. See, none of the videos have any sort of view history to it. Anyway, I'll check this guy out. Bro, are you gonna buy a Steam Deck or other similar handheld? I don't even know the prices, by the way. No. It's not useful for me, is it? How much does it cost though? Stream Deck. Welcome to Stream Deck. 13,000 rupees, 25,000 rupees, 9,000 rupees. Nah, not gonna. It's no use. I don't understand why the fuck people watch such people. Like really, I have no idea who this guy is. Accenture, is it? I resigned my 16 LPA job at Accenture. Day in the life of Accenture management consultant. Oh, okay. He is a management consultant. I see. हाँ भाई स्क्वायर रूट से काम चल जाता है प्राइम के लिए. Really? So if I was checking 64 is a prime number. So 64 square root is 8, right? So I have to only check until 8 and I can deduce if it is prime or not. Oh, okay, I see. I thought that it was n divided by 2. So until 32 you have to check. But it's alright. Nah, the Steam Deck, the Linux gaming console. Oh, Steam Deck. Okay. How much does it cost actually? This thing. Oh, okay, I see what you mean. Thing is, handheld consoles are not on that level, bro. Battery life is a problem. Then what is it? Battery life, the one thing is the problem. What are some other problems? Software, is it the optimization? Is it performance? It's not powerful enough in my opinion. 49,000 or 50,000 rupees. Like I might as well buy a PS5 console, bro. PS5 console. How much is it? 54,990. Digital version, Fortnite bundle, 44,790. Might as well get a PlayStation 5, bro. Best part is just a side project of a Chinese quant company. They just had a lot of GPUs lying around. So they decided to make use of it, and now trillion-dollar companies are shitting their pants. Oh really? DeepSeek, you mean, doofus. Use Pentest GPT is very good, never showing any problems regarding exploitation or hacking stuff. Now what is Pentest GPT? Okay. Everything requires a login. Actually, let me take the question that I asked to ChatGPT and give it to DeepSeek. Let's see what it comes up with. Let me copy this question and let's see what DeepSeek can cook up. Boom. GraphQL endpoint, read theme assets. Yeah, got it wrong. Here we go. I had so much hopes. I hoped it would get it right, but no, it didn't. The assets keyword doesn't exist, bro. It just doesn't exist. I forgot to mention that the API version is 2025-01. GraphQL JSON, store name, still got it wrong. Nope, got it wrong. So let me give you this question. Now you guys find me a ChatGPT-esque model that can find the correct answer, and only then it gets my trust. Is mechanical just hyped? Think so. Upper limit. What's up? How's Sundays going? Hey, Amrit Dhandaria, welcome back. Not really, no man. What keyboard should I buy? Only dev purpose. That doesn't exist, bro. Buy any keyboard you want. Okay, bye. Okay, guys. 2 hour 30 minutes. We are a little up. It's 2 hour 40 minutes now. I think average student should not consider higher studies like masters and PhD because it's boring and you already suck at study, just wasting father's money. Hey, Snowden, you are kind of angry. Nice. Such a dumb opinion. He's angry, I think. Why? If you average already, so don't want to do hard work, and I ask people to do some stuff that is little hard, stuff like make your own auth or some basic functionality, and they given up before starting, and I don't believe them to invent anything. That's your opinion, bro. That is your opinion. Don't try to stop somebody from doing something. You don't get to decide, and we don't get to decide what the benchmark is for other people. Maybe they have potential, but it is untapped. So for how many people backlit in a keyboard is must over here? Okay, put your vote in. Do you really want an RGB backlit keyboard? I think for me a white light backlit keyboard is the perfect one to go with, but I have RGB and I don't use it because why? Simply why? Can you describe your internship program and what it's all about? So I will teach you web development basics and all, and I will give you tasks to work on, and you will work Monday to Saturday by yourself, and on Sunday you will share with me what progress you made. So from there I will teach you the intrinsic details of web development and how to make scalable applications. So that's what I aim to teach. Making a restaurant app or making an e-commerce app is easy for you guys. You can just do it within 3 or 4 days. But we have to make it scalable. We have to provide components into it. We have to string them together. We have to maintain error handling and things like that. Therefore, yeah, we need that. Therefore, that's what I'll be teaching you. I can, maybe someone already bought one and can suggest me so that I can buy it. No RGB. Okay. I want to do masters, but I'm already 24 and I'm also financially not stable. What say? I say get a job, bro. You can always get your masters later. It's alright. Any backlit keyboard does the job. RGB is overhyped just for aesthetics. Yeah, at least something to see the damn keys in the dark. What is this internship thing? I attempted it last year, Noman. So it failed, but I'm willing to give it a second shot. In July, I will do it once again. They have potential, but never going to face pain. Then we should be supportive towards them. That's what I always say. The world is not easy. It's what I say to my audience. Don't assume that just because you can get answers on ChatGPT, therefore the world is easy. Don't assume that. The real world will chew you up and spit you out, and you would not even realize it. So at least I am getting the message out there, but I'm not scaring anybody, or I'm not telling people that they are not good enough. They are like my audience is walking in the real world fully aware of how brutal the real world is. Like they are not walking with the stars in their eyes thinking they are gonna land 50 LPA packages off rip. It's not gonna happen. They have to work 5 or 6 years, somewhat decades sometimes. That's when it can happen. Is that Twitch chat in the left bottom? Yes, it is. I have my Twitch chat link in the description box, bro. What will be the process of joining it? That would be me interviewing you. I will get to know about you on a Google Meet call, and I will find out things about you. That's when I will decide if I want to take you in. Backlight is good for night, but you don't use RGB. It feels overrated after 2 or 3 days. Yes, it is. कॉस्मिक बाइट का थीमिस करके एक कीबोर्ड है रेड बटन में, उसको ट्राई करके कर सकते हो. कॉस्मिक बाइट का थीमिस करके. ओके, लेट्स सी. कॉस्मिक Cosmic White Themis keyboard. Oh, it is a good looking keyboard. Not gonna lie. Oh, okay. This is a good looking keyboard. A little bit RGB, sure. Okay, alright. But it's alright. 3,499 Cosmic. Please tell what skills I need to get enrolled in internship. Nah, you don't need skills, bro. मैं तो मैं खुद का कीबोर्ड बना रहा हैंडमेड. Okay, good for you, bro. Good for you. Hey, this one I like. Thing is, Muhammad Ubaid, you are not paying me, I'm not paying you, so basically just that's a deal we will have. At the end of the semester, at the end of the year, either I will get you injected into my network of company people and people who are looking for work, or you will just join me and work with me. That's it. Been loving your channel. Wish you all the very best. Hey, thank you. Thanks, Amrit. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap up. Huh? You just said, okay, Sid, bye. Did you just presume this is where the conversation is going? But anyway, this is where I will wrap up today's stream. Thank you for joining in. I will see you next Saturday. And I completely forgot about my agenda, but it's all right. And yeah, we will meet next week. And on Discord, on Twitch, on LinkedIn, on Twitter, anywhere you can reach out to me. The link's in the description. And yeah, let's keep the conversation going on Discord. Yeah, bye-bye. He sees the future. Yeah, he does. I think you know me a little too well, Mana. Internship will start in July. Yes, it will. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. We will see you. Not we will see you. I will see you next week. Okay. Bye-bye.